आज to arma karibi cost.
Sorry, my lord.
500 rupees. Yeah, adjourn this. Subject to payment of rupees 500 rupees. The matter is adjourned to January 16, subject to payment of rupees 500 rupees. The amount shall be deposited with the High Court Bar Association. I want to make it on. Hello, I have an mail. I believe Magi would with so in the very. Next.
Item number 2.
2.
No, my lord. Actually, the allegations here is not at all specific against the in-laws, and we had filed.
You are here for the in-laws.
My lord,
right?
I'm for the in-laws.
Say, you want to.
I had filed a discharge petition before the learned court below, but the case was
discharge is not. No. Unless the trial is complete, things doesn't come so easily. So
Yes, my lord.
at the stage of trial, it should not be discussed.
Yes, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, this is not arising out of an FIR. This is a complaint petition, was filed by the complainant.
Maybe.
And subsequently, my lord, the entire allegations is against the husband only with respect to demand of dowry. And the specific allegations has also been made.
You must have played some role there. Family members must have played some role.
My lord, the younger
Listen,
kids.
if you have not done anything, don't be worried. You will be discharged automatically. You will be out of the purview. Why are you worried? ଯଦି କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କାଇଁ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବାହାରି ଯିବେ.
My lord, they have to face the wrath of the entire trial process.
Suffering anything. So only you have to face the trial.
To face the entire trial process, and small kids are also being implicated as an accused, my lord.
Some
20
small
years,
kids are there.
20
Small
20
kid kete
20 years, 25 years old.
27.
No, my lord.
20 years on a year.
My lord, but they have
Odisha 20 years on a kid.
No, lord. They have been also implicated in this case with respect to demand of dowry and assault. But that is my
demand of dowry है ना तो assault तो थिवा. Assault तो थिवे. Assault तो थिवे. कौन assault करथिवे? किसी करथिवे.
They are all belonging to labor class, and the house of the in-laws is adjacent to the parental house of the complainant.
Is there any rule that
No, my lord.
adjacent house will not do anything? Then?
But there is no specific allegation at all in any of the complaint or the 161 or the 202 statements with respect to in-laws.
Any allegation?
Complaint case.
Complaint case.
Yes.
They gave milk to the complainant, the milk fell down, the cat drank the milk and died. And this is the allegation that they had poisoned.
Cat poison lao kon. Vina poison cat mari jogi. Poison dei thibe na.
No, the cat was regularly visiting. Later on, the cat died after drinking the milk. Later on, the cat visited and he died. That is these are the allegations. These are
cat mala apon cat kai mala suddenly. Cat mane seti sahajare marante. They don't die so easily. Hello?
These are the kind of allegations, and they all belong to labor class, my lord. And
the labor class don't commit crime, sir. Is there any rule that labor class they don't commit crime?
Absolutely not.
Then how can you say labor class? The class and caste, all these things, they don't bring it into picture.
One more.
See, crime is a crime committed by a labor class man or a SC, ST, woman, whatever. Crime is a crime.
My lord, and they were residing separately also. They were not residing in the house of the in-laws.
It matter.
So
it must be visiting terms.
Yes, they are.
And you get the notice. Let notice. Okay. See. He has a point, of course. Can be seen. See. Let notice go. Issue notice to OP number. You give a copy to him.
Well, I have already. I have a receipt. I'll file another copy.
But as because it's a complaint case, only complaint can start.
So anyway, state is the party there, you just get a copy now. Copy number 2. By registered post. Issue notice. Like the petitioner has filed the present petition. Take a look. Order data pass inside view matter. But what is issue 2? Copy number.
OP number 2, my lord.
2. By registered post. Returnable on 18th January. 18th January.
Lordship, I have filed an IA to the defect. If Lordship may kindly consider.
I for?
I for stay, my lord.
What stay?
Stay of the trial. against these
आज तो
laws.
मैं short date दीजिए stay पे किसी ना देंगे sorry ये circuitous way of doing things I know that भैया हम भी वही थे next
Grateful.
next
Item number 4.
4
So, four minutes, state is the petitioner before your seat.
state is the petitioner why
Yes, here the order of NGT is under challenge. Only para 47 part is concerned. Only paragraph.
NGT order is under challenge
Yes.
what is the order dated 1310 1310
Annexure 1,
para 13 कौन लिखी थी
para 47. Only para 37. The direction has been given in para 45, 46 and 47. We are not challenging so far direction contained in para
just in para 40
45, 46
just
and
just
page 59.
page
59, running page.
क्या फाइन में लग गया क्या नहीं तो स्टेट तो नहीं आता जरूर
नहीं।
फाइन लगा होगा
Page 40, paragraph 47 only. The direction given to law.
फेब्रुअरी जनवरी 16 कर दो मैटर बोला एठु खसी जाउछथि टाइम मागी जाउछ तापरे आ मैटर उठुनी की कथा जदि मोर ऑर्डर जदि लिखि दियो न उठि बोल रजिस्टर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नेक्स्ट
Item number 5.
5 देखिया कोई को रजिस्टर के बंचिबो ताको देखियो नेक्स्ट 5
Item 5.
5 on appears list the matter on February 22nd. Next
Item number 6.
6 6
Item
Six.
6.
non appears 29th February.
Item 7.
May I please your attention? The matter is relating to for enhancement of victim compensation hour, my lord.
For what?
For my lord, as per the victim compensation scheme in
Sir,
2018.
कौन हला आपण केमती victim हेले victim तक कंदी है
Victim,
कोंतु
victim, my lord.
what is the definition of victim?
My lord,
No, first you have to define the victim. What is the definition of victim?
who
Ye
is the,
victim.
who is the deceased or injured victim?
हेलो victim definition रे कोंतु कोन अछि definition काढी करी who is a victim कोंतु कोंतु definition देखि victim की कोंतु को एक्टर अछि which act who actor sir victim को actor under which act
My victim compensation act,
act अछि ना act अछि ना scheme अछि
my lord.
को एक्टर victim definition आप न कहले मैं तो सुनिबी नि आपको दे दियो सब दे दियो आईपीसी दे दियो आ कोन एक्टर अछि जे को एक्टर दरकार कोंतु victim definition आज कहबी आपन छाड़िबी नले पासवर्ड कर दोछि victim कहबी दुईटा हला
हाँ।
victim
My lord.
under different act victim केंदे डिफाइन है मते कहबी विभिन्न एक्ट victim केंदे डिफाइन है को एक्टर कोन डिफाइन सब कहबी हला दुईटा
My lord.
नेक्स्ट आइटम
Item number 8.
पासवर्ड बोल बेटा
My
8
lord, kindly tomorrow, my lord.
काई
Personal difficulty.
किछि पर्सनल डिफिकल्टी नहीं अबे आपण विक्टिम न कहला मते टुमारो आज तो कहबी आ अबे पर्सनल डिफिकल्टी गला बिल्कुल नहीं No,
2
nothing.
PM I am not available.
बिल्कुल किछि नहीं कोठी कोन अछि मते कोन मुसे कोठी जज को कह देबी आज्ञा
नहीं,
कोन
sir, no,
कोठी
personal-
अछि कोठी मैटर को कोर्ट अछि
court नहीं, my
अच्छा,
lord.
फिर?
Other
किछि नहीं
personal
अदर कोर्ट किछि नहीं आपण कहबी दिटा
difficulty. पुआ सर स्कूल रे आसीबा
मो किछि जानबी नहीं ए सब एक गप सुनेबी नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं आपण कहबे ना कहबी विक्टिम 2 PM
काली तुमर
नाइ तुमरो खबर नहीं काली आज ही कहबे आज ही कहबे एरा आपण ये करी आगु आसीबा कथा ना प्रिपेयर हेकरी एमती क्वेश्चन पचारिबी आउ आपण प्रिपेयर न करले 4 मास डेट
in this case my small pair, my
you your prayer may be small or big I want who is a victim under which section victim is defined what is the ingredients to be a victim tell me
lord. Kindly तुमर
हाँ।
तुमर
आज आज
पर्सनल
काली दीटा वाला लगा
हम
काली भी दीटा वाला काली पुआ आसीबनी आज एतु
काली टू नो
काली स्कूल माने कागु
काली टू फास्ट केस रो 10:30 my lord. First case
10:30 काहे की आपण स्पेशल what 10:30
I pray, my lord. I pray.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
Your lordship.
नहीं 10:30 काहे की आपण करिबी आपण एडजन करिबी पण 10:30 बार की
नहीं 2 PM मैंने I am personal difficult.
नहीं काली पर्सनल डिफिकल्टी
मैं 2 PM तो आनी स्कूल आनी पड़छ योर लॉर्डशिप ताको ऑटो
आपण
ऑटो
काम करू स्कूल डे खोले दियंतु क्रैश एडी छाडी दउतु एडी निगरी दउतु बढिया
Lordship ଆଗରେ ଲାଗିବ।
ଆବେ
I am not-
ଦିଟା ସବୁ ଏ ସବୁ ଆମର personal difficulty ଏଠି କାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
Your Lordship,
ସେଟା they are not a big difficulty.
Your Lordship.
You can manage. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ୱାଇଫ୍ କୁ କହିଦେବେ, ୱାଇଫ୍ ଯାଇକି ନେଇ ଆସିବେ, କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା? ୱାଇଫ୍ ସବୁ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସହଧର୍ମିଣୀ, ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ସହଧର୍ମିଣୀ ହେଇପାରିବନାହାନ୍ତି? ହଁ, ବେକାର କଥା କହୁଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଇଟମ।
Tomorrow
ଆଜି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଟୁମରୋ ନାହିଁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଜି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ, ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ କୁଆଡେ ଯଦି ଅଲଗା ଯୋଉ କୋଉ ଯାଉଥିବେ, କୋରାପୁଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଯାଉଥିବେ କୋର୍ଟକୁ, କେମିତି ଘରେ
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ନା।
ଆରେଞ୍ଜ ଏବେ ଆଜି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆରେଞ୍ଜ ଏବେ ଟାଇମ ମିଳିଲା 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ କଥା। ନେକ୍ସଟ
item number 8.
8.
8 I am in VC, my lord. I may be
Yes.
The 8 that OGB matter, that the clean loan applications, so other matters your lordship posted to 19th of this month.
19th, that's it. Let the matter be posted on 19th along with the other batch of matters. Next.
I may be served copy to state also, sir, private operation notice may be issued, so that.
ठीक है.
No problem.
Next, 9th.
Item number 9.
9th. Non appears. List the matter on March 5th. Next. 10.
Item number 10.
Please, your lordship. I'm challenging the order dated 1/6/2023, and at page 12, my lords, I filed this writ petition, my lords. Here, what happened, my lords? A case was filed at Jagdishpur. It was compromised. We deposited the amount. After deposit of the amount, my lords, the applicants again appeared to the same council, filed a petition to set aside the compromise and to withdraw the case. And that has been withdrawn even behind our back. And when the check was returned to us, we came to know that such orders have been passed.
You are for the bank.
I am for the insurance
Oh,
company.
insurance.
Now, what they did, they withdrew the case from here and filed it at Srikakulam. They are initially filed at Jagatsinghpur, settled for rupees 7,60,000. We
Hmm.
deposited the check.
Hmm.
Thereafter, what they did,
The party is from Srikakulam.
Srikakulam.
So they got the check.
No, they have not withdrawn.
Oh,
the
after
check.
passing the order, they went to
No,
Srikakulam
no,
and filed.
they filed a petition here at Jagatsinghpur
Huh.
to set aside the compromise order and to withdraw the case.
Okay.
Without serving copy on us,
Hmm.
orders were passed. Your lordship may come to this
Order passed by the
commissioner.
Commissioner Employees Compensation Cum Divisional Labor Commission.
Your lordship may come to Annex 3 at page
Let's
7.
issue notice first and see the other side.
Yes, I am filed a petition, though it's a no-quest prayer, my lords. I have filed a petition to stay the further proceeding at Srikakulam, my lords. Now it is in the verge of the judgment, my lords.
Came the proceeding in the verge of judgment recently କରି
ସେ ସେଠି ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ସବୁ ସରିଗଲାଣି ସେଠି judgment on the verge of judgment only
ମାନେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଅଛି
ହଁ?
ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ଅଛି
କହିଲେ on the verge of
ମାନେ ଭାଜ ମିନ୍ସ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ
ଦେଖ the petitioner
here has not been put up for a while. That is 20,021 of 23. IA number that stay 20021 of 23.
an application for compensation was filed before the OP number କେତେ OP number କେତେ
No, I have not made the commission as a party.
ଆପଣ ଏ ସିନାପସିସ୍ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆରେ ପଢିଲେ ଟିକେ ସିନାପସିସ୍ କଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କିଏ ବୁଝିବ ଏଟା ଟିକେ ମତେ ବୁଝିଲେ dependents of one so and so compensation on account of death of the deceased with account to arose out and in course of his employment in respect to notice the କଣ ହେଇଛି କଣ ନାହିଁ
One claim case was filed.
କମ ସେ କମ ସିନାପସିସ୍ ଲେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଜୁନିୟର ଯଦି ବନଉଛେ ନିଜେ ଟିକେ ତ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କଣ
Sorry.
ସିନାପସିସ୍ ଏମିତି ସିନାପସିସ୍ ଲେଖାଯାଏ ଏଟା
Sorry.
ମାନେ ଥୁଙ୍କିବାକୁ ବି ଇଚ୍ଛା ହବନି ସେ ସିନାପସିସ୍ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏତେ କଦର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସିନାପସିସ୍ କମ ସେ କମ ଟିକେ ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ when you are taking responsibility sir your junior କହିପାରିବିନି ମୁଁ ଜୁନିୟର କରିଛି ମୁଁ
No, no, I have
ଫସିବି।
not uttered that word.
you have to ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
I am
ମୁଁ
accepting.
କହୁଛି
this. I am
you have
accepting.
to take responsibility ଏମିତି ଲେଖିଲେ ହବନି ଏ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସିନାପସିସ୍ ମାନେ just ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ଏମିତି ହବନି ମାନେ ଭଲ ବି କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ
List of event, you will also will find that
ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟରେ କଣ ମିଳିବ ସେ
7/1/20 that application for compensation was filed. We appeared 16/12/21 compromise petition was filed.
ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣ ଡ୍ରାଫଟିଂ କାହିଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରେନି ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ତ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଭଲ କରି ଯାହା ତାହା ଲେଖି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଛାଡି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କିଏ କାହା ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ବନଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏମିତି ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଧର୍ମକୁ ଆଖି ଠାର? ଆପଣ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଗୋଟେ କରାହେବା କଥା ଆଉ କାହା ପାଇଁ
henceforth-
କାହା ପାଇଁ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟିଂ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କାହା ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ନା ମୋ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି? ମୋ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ପଢିବା ମୋ ପଢିଲା ଭଳିଆ କାହିଁ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି? ଯାହା ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯାହା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ।
henceforth, my lord, this is
ହେନ୍ସଫୋର୍ଥ କଣ ସାର୍ କେବେ ହବନି, କେବେ ବି ହବନି, ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିବ କେବେ ବି ହେନ୍ସଫୋର୍ଥ ଏବେ କହିଲେ ଆଗ କାଲି ପୁଣି ସେମିତି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଆପଣ। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଡନ୍।
no, henceforth I'll personally I'll draft, my lords.
short facts से गुटे paragraph ରହିଯିବ sir, first paragraph, that's why I call you properly design the preambulary paragraph. preambulary paragraph ରେ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ एकदम ଦର୍ପଣ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିବା କଥା, ତାପରେ ବାକି ଆପଣ annexer 1 2 more 5 ଯାହା ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ, ସେଇଥିରେ ସବୁ ଆସିବା କଥା। କଣ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ କିଏ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ? ମୁଁ କାଲି ପଢୁଥିଲି କଣ ଲେଖାଯାଏ actually understand, that's why ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ମନେ ମନେ ଭାବିଥିଲି ଯିଏ ବି ହେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ କହିବି ବୋଲି। ଲେଖ simply notice ଲେଖିବା ଭଳିଆ କିଛି ମୋର ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ can frame ଲେଖ notice issue notice to opposite party number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ହେଲା by rates of post ଯାଅ hard land cancel petition issue notice देखिए नेक्स्ट डेट देखिए कौन से आर कोड कौन है
IA ଟା ଅଛି 20,021 of 2023 lords.
सर आईए टा मु जस्ट
ଆସିନି।
स्टेज रा कौन आसी
ନା,
आसी आईए भी आसी हां नेक्स्ट डेट हला इशू नोटिस लिस्ट मैटर ऑन 25th January नेक्स्ट
I may pardon, my lords. Just when I was entering that item number 9, my lord, that has been adjourned.
9
Item 9.
non-appearance. 5th of March.
5th of March
No, I'm urgent stage involved. I may permitted to place my case, my lords.
एबे नहीं आपण दुईटा बेले आसी
Dita.
जो मैटर गला से मैटर दुईटा बेले आस्ती आ सेट मझरे पसी आसी मु अकाउंट नेक्स्ट
Item 11.
11 11
Here the residential house of the petitioner was completely damaged.
भाई को साइड रे आपण अछन को साइड रे आपण को साइड हैव सम डिसिप्लिन यार कुछ भी बोल दे तो
Damage
माइक एपटे अछि आपण भाई
Funny cyclone. In funny cyclone. Earlier, your lordship disposed of the same similar matter. Bhai,
सिमिलर मैटर रहंतु सिमिलर मैटर चक्कर जानतु आपण कोन हे जे आगे कहंतु किछि सिमिलर मैटर कहि दुछ अगर तम मैटरटा कोन फैक्ट्स तो कह भाई तापर से सिमिलर मैटर के मु डिसाइड करबी आगे आपण डिसाइड करले सिमिलर मैटर के डिसाइड करिवो आई हैव टू चेक वेदर सिमिलर मैटर दे हैव टू चेक आफ्टर दैट सिमिलर के डिसिमिलर जाना पड़ियो आपण निजे निजे सिमिलर बन देले कोन हे जे कोन जागो व्हाट
the residential house of the petitioner was completely damaged and collapsed in funny cyclone.
डैमेज
Thereafter-
एंड कोलैप्स completely
Yes, your lords. Severely
report
damaged.
report where is the report completely damage and collapse ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
Sir, ଏଥିରେ ନାହିଁ second
କୋଉଥିରେ
item,
କୋଉଥିରେ
list
ଥିବ
ଟା
ନା
sir ଦେଇନୁ।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା କୋଉଥିରେ ଦିଆ
କିନ୍ତୁ
ହେଇଥିବ
right annexed to your lordship, earlier the petitioner approached this honorable court.
ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଛି କି କୋଲାପ୍ସ ହେଇଛି
ସେଟା sir ରହୁଛି ଏତେ list ଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି, sir।
ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ କହିବ ନା କୋର୍ଟ କହିବ
Sir,
କୋର୍ଟ
beneficiary list ରେ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ।
କୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ କହିବ ମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଛି କି କୋର୍ଟର କଣ ଦୁର୍ବିନ ଅଛି ଏଠି ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଛି ଏଠି ଆପଣ ତହସିଲଦାର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ କହିଲେ
ସେ
କୋର୍ଟ
ରହୁଛି
କହିଲା
sir ମୁଁ list ଟା file କରିଛି।
Here this read is not maintainable. Earlier he approached this honorable and direction was given to consider independence.
ହୁଁ, ଏଇଟା।
They are not considered, he should have content. How place it petition will be filed on Samsung.
କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଲଗ
Only liberty may be given, your lords.
ଏମିତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ର ଫଳଟା ଏଇଆ ହୁଏ ଯିବେ ଆସିବେ ନହେଲା ପୁଣି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଏଇଆ ହିଁ ହେବ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ନେଭର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଫର ଏନି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଇନ ଏନି କୋର୍ଟ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଣ ଦୟା କୋର୍ଟ ଦୟା ଦେଖୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦୟା ଦେଖୁନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରାଇଟ୍
Yes.
ହଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଯଦି କହିଲା ଜଜ୍ କୁ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ମୁଁ ଇଏ କରିବିନି ଆପଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ କହିବେ tell me all that list I am always welcome. This is not a lollipop. I'm not. We are not giving you lollipop. Look, non-concept petitioner submit that he had filed a writ petition before this. But compensation पाइबा जन court पर ଗୋଟେ ଘୁରି ଚାଲିଥିବ compensation ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ତ ନ ଦେବେ writ petition file କରିବ ସେ ଯିବ ପୁଣି ସେ ପୁଣି ଆସିବ ଏ କଣ ଏଟା the petitioner has filed the present writ petition seeking money compensation. He further submits that he had earlier filed a writ petition number being writ petition civil number 30138 of 2020, wherein this court had made a order dated 2011-2020 had passed an order directing the petitioner to present his representation before the appropriate authority, that is OP number 2, to consider the same and pass appropriate order in accordance with the law within a period of 3 months. However, the said authority has not taken any decision in the representation of the present petition. Hence, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court again. Though the the petitioner should have filed a contempt application before this court for not complying with the order passed by this court on 2011-2020, this court still admits the writ petition, directing the state government, the concerned official, who is that official?
Lordship, collector Puri.
Collector Puri to take decision within a period of 1 week from today, failing which the collector shall be personally present before this court. This is the matter on 6th February. 6th February. Hala, 6th February lagu. Contempt kan file karibu tu chhado. So asu 6th February. Next.
Item 12.
Lordship, in second item, serial number 241 beneficiary को ना
It is same.
Same order. Similar order. बाकी जरा whenever there is matter just पठा होची आपण contempt file करिवे एंती file कला होनी ए गोटे जस आपण कर दोची
already sir 1 year 2020 रे order टा pass ହେଇଥିଲା 1 year ଭିତରେ contempt न sir ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରି file କଲା होता
काहे की माने contempt एंती धरनी पर file करिवे
Sir.
आपण order आपण 2020 रे ए जे किछि हलानी आपण सरकार आपण representation either decide करथाते
सेरा मु फर्स्ट टाइम आइछि मु जानि स्टॉक रिजेक्ट कोन
good that short order this the matter on 8 दियो 8 रे आपण कहबे यदि आपण कहि ना पाले कलेक्टर निजा आसी प्रेजेंट हो हला
Item 13.
State to take instruction on 8. Next.
Item 13.
The brother of
13.
the petitioners untimely died on 8/3/2020.
Who died?
His brother, petitioner's brother, Shankar Charan Mahanti,
Okay.
on 8/3/2020.
Hmm.
He was unmarried.
Okay.
He was working in an institution at Bhubaneswar. After collecting the information, the petitioners requested to the opposite parties the deposited amount may withdraw in their favor.
How are you?
The
How are you related to the deceased?
legal heirs, sisters,
You are the sisters.
yes.
She is unmarried.
I filed the legal heir certificate.
How many legal heirs are there?
That is page
Only 3?
page 15, annexed 3,
Then how many legal heirs are there?
3 only.
1, 2, 3.
Again,
This all petitioners were here.
again, page 15,
All are sisters.
sisters. The bank directed to file the affidavit.
Hmm.
That you are the legal heirs
हाँ तो कर दो
and submit the legal heir certificate.
These are submitted.
I have already submitted legal heir certificate and by the annexed to series the affidavit.
Hmm.
Thereafter, he has verified that the account in the account, Shankar Charan Mahanti name is mentioned as Shankar Mahanti, and the death certificate is mentioned as Shankar Mahanti.
Hmm.
And in the legal heir certificate, the authority said that Shankar Charan Mahanti and Shankar Mahanti
Let it issue notice
is the
to the bank.
same.
Issue
and is-
notice to the bank. Issue notice to the bank, State Bank of India. Anybody appearing for State Bank of India? Okay, actually, here then, take it. Mr. Mahanti, yeah, Mahapatra, sir. Mr. Mahapatra, who is present in this court,
I have short copy.
directed to take up the matter, since he regularly appears for the State Bank of India, and he has agreed to take up the matter. Like that, आपण सुविधा.
I have served copy.
No, I am fortifying his position. So tomorrow the bank people should not say that ki other council should not say, oh, बैठ के ले लिया ये. We should not say. So he is present. This is matter. Bank to take instruction on and 8 less. 8. Next,
14.
14.
May I please, your lordship? My lords, the petition has taken shelter of this honorable court, my lords, with a prayer for a defreezing of his bank account, my lords.
Sorry?
For defreezing his bank account, my lords. Petitioner's bank
Decreasing
account,
bank account mean?
but his bank account was kept under freeze, my lords, due to his in connection with a criminal case. The FIR is at Annexure 1, my lords. Annexure 1, page 9, my lords. In connection with the case 379 411 34 IPC, my lords. Petitioner's bank account has been kept under freeze, my lords. And the allegation is that regarding unauthorized possession and transport of iron scrap material in a vehicle, 407 vehicle, my lords. And alleged the petitioner is the consignee to whom the goods were supposed to be delivered, my lords. That is the case.
You are the consignee.
Yes, I am the consignee, my lords. Annexure 1 is the FIR, my lords.
Now, record shows the investigation is on. So unless and until charge is not submitted and regarding involvement of the petition is to find out. At this stage, the release of bank account,
But
I
he is a
will-
consignee only.
Yes, I will
But,
cooperate.
I will obtain instruction, first payment. Material.
Lord Council of the state to take instruction in the matter, this matter. 10th class.
Right.
Let him take instruction. Next,
Lordship. Second item
15.
is same, my lords.
second change.
Another account, my lords.
Out of it. Second knowledge. Next,
Your lordship kept it 10, 17, your lordship.
10.
17,
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ short date ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସୁବିଧା କରୁଛି ଆପଣ 17 କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
my lords.
I am trying to shorten the time so that you will not face difficulty. Next,
16.
16.
May I please, your lordship? Discuss petitioner is a member of the Ostia Cooperative Society. The petitioner along with some member of the society have made a complaint against the secretary and president.
Please, ये नहीं है, इसमें बुझाओ नहीं पड़ा. बाहर से वो ये करो.
I am the member of the Ostia Cooperative Society.
You remember.
Yes, my lord.
So
That's
what
why,
happened?
that's why after that, one annexure 2 kindly peruse page 10.
No, what happened?
Annexure 2 page 10,
Hmm.
one direction was given, one inquiry has been made. Accordingly, one inquiry report has been published at annexure 5 page 16.
Hmm. Yes.
The
What does
inquiry,
the inquiry report say?
inquiry report on the allegation of Sri Tonkadar Jana.
Because of that, most of the plots other farmers have been included in the name of committee of management, including the president, there are forgetting coverage. Other the plots of basic farmers.
Dismissal and dissolution of the committee. Yeah. Yes.
So you are saying that even the insurance coverage is given to the deceased person.
Deceased person, some persons, those who have not actually entitled for that. The falsely they have taken in their name president and vice president. Can you mindly turn to the annexure page 18, mine, last part.
I am there, sir.
Yes. On that,
There.
in that regard, no action
Sir,
has.
please don't talk inside courtroom. Please, is my request. Don't talk inside. Those who want to talk, go outside. Comfortably talk, no problem. पानी भी पठे देवी यदि कहिबे हला जते बार कथा हो ए भितरे I feel disturbed. Yes, one.
After this inquiry report that is concluded on 9/6/2023,
No.
my lord.
You are saying that all the people who are the president and secretary, their relatives have been
Taken the.
covered under that.
Yes, my lord.
People who are deceased also covered under that.
Yes, my lord.
That's what you.
Yes, my lord.
So there is a finding of the committee.
Yes, my lord.
So then what is the given?
After that inquiry report, the opinion number 1 and 2 has to take action against president and secretary.
So you have come for what?
to take action against the president and secretary of the society. That's why I filed this
To
case.
implement the inquiry report, what he said.
To take instruction,
Yes.
not counsel for the state to take instruction. As to why the inquiry report submitted by the what is that?
One of the heirs,
ARCS,
Banki.
Banki Circle, Banki, has not been given effect to, and the action has, the required action has not been taken. So, list the matter on 17th, 7 probably,
70.
1/7, January.
January.
Next,
17,
May it please your lordships. In the case at hand, the grievance of the petitioner is the non-disbursement of the LIC
non-disbursement of LIC.
LIC insurance claims
Hmm.
in favor of the petitioner, my lord.
Why?
Because at the time of death of the mother of the petitioner, she was only 9 years. After she became major, she had been to the bank and approached the authority that you
The
please
petitioner was 9-year-old.
petitioner 9 years.
She's what? I mean, related to, what is the
daughter.
relation?
The daughter of the
Daughter of the
daughter.
And the father?
The father has left to the petitioner and her mother because the mother was suffering from cancer and he was no love and affection. So therefore, the mother at the time before her death has executed a will nama in favor of the petitioner.
Mother.
Okay. That
Only,
after-
only child.
only side. And now also it was.
Hmm.
So the-
So, she was minor at that time?
Minor at
Then-
the
okay. Then she became major
Major.
and she approached the
Minor.
LIC.
with a request to the bank, to the LIC authority that such and such policies are available with me.
Hmm.
And you please disclose what else more she has.
Hmm.
But there is no response from them.
Let's take a look. Now, counsel for the petitioner. Submit that the mother of the present petitioner who had purchased insurance policies, BD, policy number 57005961, 5724670005, blah, blah, so like that, respectively on the above date. However, at the time of the death of his mother, her mother, the petitioner was a minor. Upon attaining majority, she approached the LIC, the branch manager LIC Chhatrapur on 7/1/2020 and requested for releasing the insurance claim in her favor. However, the LIC has not cooperated the present petitioner to release the said amount. Hence, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court for getting the amount released in her favor. In such view of the matter, let notice be issued to open number Mumbai को कौन copy कर
Branch head money.
Mumbai only 2-3 करो 2-3 only 2-3 open number 2-3 by registered post. List the matter on February 6th.
Deployment.
Next.
item 18,
Because it may be filed
My
with
lord,
18.
my lord, the petitioner has given a lease level house to BSNL, that is open number 5. And after completion of lease period, means that is 14 March 2013, and till today, till November 2023, the BSNL authority, that is OP number 5, has not uninstalled their equipments. Means the BSNL authority also used the said denied promises of.
ये matter कौन है actually?
So the BSNL authority is.
Just a minute, sir.
did not
BSNL
respond to the
lease matter. Why lease matter be before this court? Lease item to amar
Sanction of corporate
Huh?
compensation.
What do you want, sir? What is your grievance? What do you want? Without going into all these things, tell me in 2 lines. What do you want? What do you want?
Petitioner has expenses, consumption, electric consumption bill, sir, which was not paid by 2,06,000, 60,000 some are
Electric amount
not
only
given
asbo.
by the BSNL.
Hey, electric ଆସିବ ନା ଆମର
Lordship, copy not served. I am for appearing
କପି
in
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଏଠିକି ଲାଗିବ ନା ଲାଗିବ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ତାପରେ କପି କଥା ହଉଛି ଆପଣ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
जो इलेक्ट्रिक बिल ଟା sir ସେ 2,60,000 ହେଇଛି ସେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ପେଡ୍ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତ ସେ ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ବହୁତ ଚିଠି କରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ହେଇଛି ହାୟର ଅଥରିଟି ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କହନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କହିବା ଦରକାର ଏ କଣ କଥା नहीं ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆରାମ ସେ ପ୍ୟାର ସେ ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଯୋଉ ଦିନଠୁ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ କନଜମ୍ପସନ
ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ବିଲ୍ sir ସେମାନେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି 2,60,000 ସେଟା
କିଏ ଦେଇନି
जो ମାନେ BSNL authority sir GMT open
ଆପଣ
number 5
କିଏ
ମୁଁ sir petitioner
ଆପଣ ପିଟିସନ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କି ଆପଣ କିଏ ପିଟିସନର କିଏ
ମହାଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ
କଣ ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ ଦେବେ
sir BSNL authorities वाला ମୋ ଘର ନେଇଥିଲେ sir ଲିଜରେ
ଆପଣ ଘର ନେଇଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଦେଲେନି ସେମାନେ
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମାତ୍ର ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ authority
ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଏତେ କେତେ କେତେ ମାସ ୟୁଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଦେଲେନି
60 ମାସ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ
60 ମାସ ଧରି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ୟୁଜ କରି ଦେଲେନି ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେନି ଆପଣ ଲାଇଟ୍ କାଟିଲେନି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ବାଲା ଲାଇଟ୍ କାଟିଦେବେ ନା
ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇନ କାଟିଲେନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମତେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ଯେହେତୁ
ଆପଣ
ମୋ
କାହିଁ ଦେବେ
ନାଁରେ ରେକର୍ଡ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଯେହେତୁ
ୟୁଜର ହେଜ ଟୁ ପେ ନା
यूजर जे सर कंज्यूमर तो जेहेतु मन के महालक्ष्मी रेडियो
ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଆମ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତ ନାହିଁ
ହବନି ନା
this doesn't come under the purview of my
Other civil matter.
ଯାଉ ସିଆଡେ ଯାଉ let the matter be posted before the place before the ACJ to assign the appropriate bench ଆପଣ କଣ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି गॉड ओनली नोज यार आप लोग थोड़ा क्या शराब वराब पी के बनाते हो क्या फालतू में କିଛି ବନେଇକି ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛନ୍ତି ସିଧା ଫାଇଲ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଦେଖିଲେ କାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦ ପ୍ରେୟାର
शोकज भाई एप्रोप्रिएट रेट साला
କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କିଏ ଦେବ ସାର୍ କାହିଁକି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେ କିଏ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କାହାକୁ
ଆଉ सर ଆଜି ଯାଏ ମୋର ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି BSNL authority
କିଏ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦେବ କାହାକୁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେବେ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ
କପି ନମ୍ବର 5 ଯେହେତୁ ଅଲରେଡି
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେବ
ସେ ୟୁଜ ଅଲରେଡି ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ପେ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମନ୍ଥଲି ରେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ମନ୍ଥଲି ମତ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
next item
Item 19.
let it be placed before the appropriate bench this doesn't pertain to me next
In this case, my lord, we wish to appear on behalf of Shai Lombard. Some time may kindly be allowed so that we can file wakalatnama and objection. In
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର
19.
19
yes ଆପଣ ସେ ଭିତରୁ କେମିତି ପଶିଗଲେ ଆଜି ଏପଟେ ଆସିବାର ଥିଲା
अरे सॉरी सर नुआ वर्षर मिस कली आपण कोर्टा को आजी
ओ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बाकी कौन केस टा कौन
अरे इंश्योरेंस ये एक्सीडेंट हैला सेथरे इंश्योरेंस टंकाटा दबा कथा गैस कंपनी फॉरवर्ड कर देची इंश्योरेंस कंपनी की ईमेल ले बर्तमान क्लेम टा मोर पेंडिंग अछि इंश्योरेंस से माने सेटा क्लियर कले ऑयल कंपनी पाऊ पठेले ऑयल कंपनी पेमेंट करियो
ये जो गैस एटा
गैस एक्सीडेंट रे मु इंजोर
गैस
ओनर टंका पाई साची
आपण काफी
हमें appear करियो सर
का पई बैंक
इंश्योरेंस
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी गैस वाला पई की
ICICI Lombard.
ये गैस वाला के
या सर आई विल इंटीमेट मिस्टर पटनायक
अरे सर को कंपनी
एटा सर एटा कोन भारत पेट्रोलियम कॉर्पोरेशन
भारत पेट्रोलियम में की अछि बीपीसीएल
श्रीनिवास पटनायक
देवराज मानती जपेरी
बीपीसीएल
भारत पेट्रोलियम.
BPCL I will
okay let notice be issued to Mr. Devraj Mahanti Colonel Constable appearing from the BPCL not sorry issued to BPCL a copy of the said maybe Mr. Devraj usually appear for the BPCL And you're for the opposite party, you're for the petitioner.
No, no, I'm
No,
not
no.
for the
You're
petition.
for the
I'm for insurance
opposite
company,
party.
Opposite party.
ICICI Lombard. Give a copy. Copy paichanti.
No.
Give a copy, Mr. Bera, sorry, Mr. Nayak.
Sir. Sample one, sir, they Mr. Some senior counsel, Mr. Sodam. I have served a copy on some elder brother.
I would copy tango de.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Ye appear kare tango debe na.
Yes.
Hala. Okay, list the matter on 1st February.
All right.
Next.
Item 20.
20.
May I please, your lordship? Here, my lord, the collector has acquired the petitioner's land, my lord, for
Collector has acquired the petitioner land.
for layout the high transmission line, my lord. And after acquiring my land, my lord, and also
Land
layout.
acquisition matter it asigala. Sir, among it assume. Let the matter be placed before the thing to assign the agreement bench since still land acquisition matter. Next.
Oblige.
Item
Next.
21.
21.
My lord. And the petitioner availed a term loan of rupees 16 lakh from the.
Orissa Gramya Bank.
My lord.
Mr. Tuna Sahu.
Yes. I have sought also a copy of the writ petition.
Give a copy. You take instruction. Yes. Land counsel for the bank who is present before the court has been requested by the court to take up the matter. Accordingly, he has agreed to take the matter. Suppose एंदी लिख दो वाला जी present थे लेकिन एंदी लिख दो वाला सर के कोई पर नहीं है वाला डबल लिख दो he seeks 1 week time to take instruction. List the matter on 18. Give a copy.
Yes, all right, sir.
Okay. Copy, sir. Yes. Yeah.
22
22.
Item
Okay.
22.
22 item is the honorable court already fixed 25th.
Okay. 25th. The similar matters are since the similar matters have been fixed on 25th January. January. Let the matter tag along with all these matters.
I have already copies of
Number जो अच्छी number
the number ta jota case re
25th जो लगी थी गुटे number देला से tag ही जो. Next. Next. 23.
Item 23.
23.
my 23 24 25
Oh, Sam. Sam.
I have already solved the copy
25 तरह number टा दे दियो.
40632 of 2023
406
632
632.
Well, I have already solved the copy.
Yeah, संग्रह.
I have already solved the copy to the Mr. Abhimanyu Parida.
Okay.
My lord, Miss case has already been filed today. I'm going to file. Can we
File बेला आसीबो देखो आपण going to file रे म लिखिबी कि आपण न फाइल कला
आज फाइल करूची
करो तो करिवे एदिन लिखियो कोन अछि ऑर्डर रे का आसीबो
ओबलेज मैन
Next.
My
26.
My name may be reflected in the past list.
आपण दे देबो ना चिट दे देबो. Next.
Item 26.
26.
My lord, item 26 to 30, its matter relates to ex gratia compensation for funny affected people, my lords.
Okay, land counsel for the state.
My lord, one thing I would like to bring to the notice to the honorable court, my lord. This is the inquiry report, my lords, after 2.5 years, my lords.
That has already been taken care by non.
Let him take instruction. Okay. Let him copy tango.
All right.
List the matter on 18th.
Obliged, my lords.
18, 19 कर दे 19. Yes. Next item.
Item 31.
এটা কো যায় এটা 31 যায় এটা হ্যাঁ 30
26 to 30 minutes.
31.
31.
Actually, copy I have not sought.
31 આપણે
31 man. No, actually, I have not sought the copy. This is Fasal Bima, Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. We are the beneficiary of the subsidy in crops. And after complaining the insurance benefit, they have inquired annexer 5 PLOs. You can see they have collector has considered a joint inquiry. That inquiry was held on 21/7/2023. The report has not been submitted and no decision has been taken. Simply, I have prayed my lord collector to take decision in case and call for the report. The inquiry has been made by the
It was done,
District
that
Agriculture Officer.
collector has taken the
Collector has-
inquiry केव्हा घेतली?
Enquiry, my lord, 21/7/2023.
Seven, wait.
My lord. And it's
So you want immediate
take cognizance of the let him answer or
state to take instruction. This is the matter on 19th. 19th, that's all.
or black.
Let him take instruction.
All right.
Next,
Item 32.
32. 32, non-appears. List the matter on 15th February. Next,
33.
33. 33. Non-appears. 16th February.
34.
34.
Name, please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord. The Annex 2, page 91, the order passed by the National Commission Lordship for Consumer Act, CORAM Lordship,
So you are challenging the order of National Commission.
my lords.
Why?
The
National
issue,
Commission, you have to go to Supreme Court, sir. National Commission, you have to go to Supreme Court. Sometimes I entertain the State Commission order to National Commission because
yes,
too far, people can't go. But after National Commission, the jai parichanti, set order
The-
anichanti, the Supreme Court can even finally.
but the issue, your lordship, due to fault of the advocate, the petition is
Yes,
suffering, your lordship.
Forum, upon
Yes,
right
sir.
forum, you have to approach. See, National Commission has passed an order. Right,
Right.
wrong, car, fault, car, yes, I am not going to.
Yes, sir.
But the forum is Supreme Court, not High Court. You see the act. Act proposes Supreme Court.
Act something which is specify nahi.
बिल्कुल अच्छी बिल्कुल अच्छी देखो तो आपने देखी ना कॉल पे
Dekhin.
नेशनल कमीशन ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जी कौन फाइल करथिले आपण नेशनल कमीशन रे कौन फाइल
Revision application.
रिवीजन
My lord.
रिवीजन टा सुप्रीम कोर्ट जी रिवीजन सुप्रीम कोर्ट जी
Here the case, your lordship.
केस
Yes,
मेरिट को पछे जीवा आगो फोरम
jurisdiction, your lordship.
फोरम टा राइटर ऑन देखो सुप्रीम कोर्ट जी
आसु नले next week.
आसीबा कोन सुप्रीम कोर्ट जीवे आसीबो आसिले भी से जीवे
Provision टा खाली देखि दे.
प्रोविजन अच्छी से देखो अबे
केते?
अच्छी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जीवे सर
Yes.
रिवीजन अगेंस्ट कोर्ट की जीवे सुप्रीम कोर्ट जीवे ना हाई कोर्ट के लिए स्टेट कमिशन बेले बेले मु कर दोछि किछि कोन तो बोला कहउछन कोन आसनु किछि कहबे नहीं नहीं आसु तो एबे किछि कहउतले
जजमेंट आछि रिसेंट जजमेंट
आया से जजमेंट देखांतु मते
हां सेटा सेटा समय
देखेबे ना जजमेंट अच्छी ले जीवन
अच्छी अच्छी एबे न्यू जजमेंट
तो कौन लिखि न्यू जजमेंट कौन लिखि
साहा
एपटे गुटे कहउछ केतळे एपटे गुटे काई मानिबु हला काली आसु
Friday आसु.
फ्राइडे मु नथि फ्राइडे
Day after
Thursday
tomorrow.
कर
Day after tomorrow, last.
थर्सडे
My lord.
थर्सडे रे आपण यू शो मी द
Yes, yes.
Law.
Exam on that.
आ कंजूस ओडिया गुटे कॉपी आनिबे दीटा कॉपी नै गैस
नहीं नहीं
एपटे भी कॉपी देबे
नहीं
हां गुटे कॉपी आउ धरि दिबे एवडा गुटे कॉपी बोली करबे
नहीं
समस्त
नहीं
कोर्ट काई भी कॉपी धरि जायथि कोर्ट को गुटे कॉपी धरि एते कंजूसी काई करथि मु जानि
नहीं मु सब
आपण का पे आउ कोर्ट पे ही आउछंती
आज्ञा।
कोर्ट पे गुटे कॉपी धरि आसीबिनी आपण खाली पढिबे
आज भी जो साइट है मु
हाँ।
तीनटा कॉपी धर के सब मु सेडा आगे कोर्ट में कॉपी
मैं
दरकार
समस्त कहूची आपण
आज्ञा।
थ्रू जरिया रे समस्त कहूची
Oblige, lord.
नेक्स्ट
Third day.
Sir, I may be excused. Item 32.
Again 32.
Sir, due to some mechanical problem, I could not attend the matter.
32
Non-appearance.
Item 32.
केही नथिले सर
Sir, yes, I don't dispute it.
अच्छा दीटा दीटा आसीबे ताले आपण दीटा बेले
Sir.
एबे केते केते नंबर छै बेले जी
Item 32, data.
34 दीटा बेले सर दीटा बेले
Sir.
ठीक yes 34
Yes, Your Lordship. Item 30.
34
33, Your Lordship.
33
Yes, Your Lordship.
16.
ओबे माने 34 आर माने 34 आपण 34
35.
अरे सो कंफ्यूज
34
33
Yes, Your Lordship.
33 point
Your Lordship, we have approached this honorable court seeking a direction to the opposite parties for providing me the requisite opium that is required for the medicinal purposes of the present petitioner, Your Lordship. The present petitioner is a person aged about 65 years, Your Lordship.
So why does it want that?
Your
opium?
Lordship, since he's also suffering from chronic respiratory diseases, Your Lordship. So he has been advised by the DHH that,
Who has advised?
Your Lordship, that is there in,
Opium khawali advice dochi.
no, Your Lordship, that is exactly opioid for medicinal purposes, Your Lordship.
Who has, where is
He
that?
has been to the DHH Nayagarh, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
He has been to the district headquarters hospital, Nayagarh, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
And there are provisions that when the necessity is there, he can be provided with a certain
That's fine.
amount.
But
Yes, Your
where is that prescription?
Your Lordship, that is copy of the prescription is page 7 to page 13, Your Lordship.
Now he's not, I mean, he has approached the shop.
Yes, Your Lordship. He has not approached the shop, Your Lordship.
Then?
The procedure is after the recommendation by the DHH, Your Lordship. The board will scrutinize. And
So that board has scrutinized.
no, Your Lordship, they're taking no steps for creating a board for the same, Your Lordship.
You take steps. Land Council of the state to take instruction regarding the board को पठाया नहीं हो जाए
Nine.
regarding the what is the medicine called?
Your Lordship, the medicine is opium only. That is
Opi?
opioid.
Opioid for allowing the petitioner to use opioid, which is a narcotic drug substance,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and as per the which provision, under which
Your Lordship,
provision?
Rule 20 of the Odisha Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances.
Where have you quoted that?
Yes, Your Lordship, that has been
Quoted?
quoted.
Okay. Under the petitioner was supposed to the petitioner case was supposed to be decided by the, what is the board called?
Competent authorities constituted
By the competent authority. गड़बड़ लग रहा है. There is something mistake.
Your Lordship, if I may provide Your Lordships with the rule, Your Lordship. So
Why don't you see, you young people? What prevents you to quote this particular provision?
Your Lordship, that
अपन
is
drafting
there.
कलाले quote कहीं करना थी.
That is there.
समझता हूँ please quote the order. it quote कर दे good line. Under this is required. Prescribed formal procedure by the act or rule or whatever. तापरे जीवे. हाय एमती जस्ट गोटे casually draft कर दो पळे आछन कोर्ट को खाली आसी
Your Lordship, the summary is there in page number 4, Your Lordship. Para C.
Page number 4.
4. Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Look. Where is the summary? Okay, the petitioner under Rule 4 and Rule 22 of the Orissa Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Rules 1989. I repeat, Orissa Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Rules 1989 is eligible for possession of the prescribed opioid drugs for bona fide personal consumption in the form of medicine as stated in the provisions. Accordingly, however, the rules prescribes formation of under which rule that formation of board is prescribed.
Your Lordship, same under Rule 20 only.
Okay, rules 20 of the said rules prescribes for a constitution of a board by the district
Collective, Your Lordship.
Chief
Collective.
District Medical Officer,
Yes, Your Lordship.
CDMO. Okay. In the present case, the said board has not yet been constituted.
No, Your Lordship, they have not
yet been
taken.
constituted, nor has any action been taken. Hence, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court for seeking a direction to the CDMO
Yes, Your Lordship.
to constitute a board in order to examine the case of the present petition. Land Council of the state to take instruction regarding formation of the board and the consequent order to be passed in favor of the present petition. Pass कर लीजिए, order to be passed. List the matter. 11th.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
Next.
Item 35.
May I, Lordship? May I, Lordship?
35.
For disposal of the grievances of the petition filed on dated 30/11/23 before the opposite party number 2 against the opposite party number 4 under annexure 1, my lord.
What is this? ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ?
annexure 1, my lord, ଆମ୍ଭ ଘର ଠାରୁ ଅତି ନିକଟରେ ଏକ ବେଆଇନ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ କରି ଜଳବାୟୁକୁ ପ୍ରଦୂଷିତ କରିବା ସହିତ
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଏମିତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କିଛି ହବନି ଏଟା ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ସେ ଆସିଲେ କହିବେ
30/11 ସେ କିଛି
ଏବେ ତ হবে ଏବେ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଆପଣ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କିଛି ହୁଏନି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ forget that you have given any representation
opposite party 2 କୁ ଦିଆ
ରେ ଥାଉ
Chairman
ଏଠି
କଣ-
ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ହବ କିଛି
Chairman
ନାଇଁ
କଣ
ଏଠି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ହବ କିଛି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଶୁଣା ହବନି
grievances ଟା ଦିଆ ମତେ
ରେ ଥାଉ ସେ ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଏଠି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ ଆପଣ ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ କାଇଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଡିସିସନ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
No.
ଗ୍ରିଭେନ୍ସ ଦେଇକି ସେଠି ଜଗିଥିବେ
sorry
ଆଉ ଫିର ଏଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଚକ୍କରରେ ପଡନ୍ତୁନି ସେଟା ହଉଛି ମାୟା 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 କହନ୍ତିନି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ହଉଛି ମାୟା ସବୁ ମାୟାରେ ମାୟା ସରି ସବୁ ମାୟାରେ ମାୟା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ ଆଇବେ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ ବସିଥିବେ ଜଗିଥିବେ ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ କିଛି ହବନି ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଲଲିପପ୍ ତେଣୁ ଏଠି ଲଲିପପ୍ ମିଳେନି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ପୁରା ପିଓର ପପ୍ who are you? You are the complainant.
yes petition
କିଏ ଆପଣ
the complaint my lord
ଆଜ୍ଞା କିଏ ଆପଣ
ये प्रदीप नायक ମୋ ଆମ ଘର ସାଇଡରେ ଯୋଉ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି
So you are the affected person.
yes
ହଁ କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ ପିଟିସନର ଇଏ 10 ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି the petitioner is a person affected ଆପଣ definition ପଢିଛନ୍ତି person affected pollution ଏଇ ଯୋଉ air water pollution act person affected definition ଅଛି who is an eligible person to ventilate his grievance the petitioner is a person affected petitioner claims to be a person affected claims ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି claims to be a person affected by the pollution due to
କୁକୁଡ଼ା farm
pollution emanating from the poultry farm which is nearer to the village କେତେ distance
ଘର ବା
ଆପଣ ଘର କେତେ distance
ଘର ଲାଗିକି ମୋ ଘରଠୁ ସେ ଘର
सर डिस्टेंस ଥିବା 5 ମିଟର 10 ମିଟର 100 ମିଟର 300 ମିଟର 800 ମିଟର କିଲୋମିଟର କେତେ 5 ମିଟର ସତରେ 5 ମିଟର
ଲାଗିକି ପୁରା
Fictional claims to the person affected by the pollution due to emanating
due to ଲାଗିବନି emanating from the due to କାଟ poultry farm ମାନେ poultry farm poultry farm
which is near to the
which is a nearer no which is nearer to the क्या इंग्लिश लिखते हो nearer to the village and is creating pollution for the creating filthy smell pollution filthy smell for the villagers hence he has approached the कागज देथिले
petition number 2
किए आगे किए कहंतु ना
chairman कम managing director state pollution control board and
opinion number 2 opinion number 2 however no action has been taken by the said authority केवे देथिले
30/11
though the petitioner had given this representation to the authority on 30/11/2023 issue notice to opinion number 2 234 234 ହେଲା सर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड चेयरमैन का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर न थाए हाँ लिखुचंदी भी देखो देखंतु तो कम से कम मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर थाए पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड रे कुछ भी लिख देते हो Secretary pollution को chairman का managing director. कोई आला चिपके देले बस सड़ा रह गला. आउ कोई थिबो chairman का तो आने चिपके देले. अरे चेंज कर दो. Chairman ये post नहीं सिटी. हाँ secretary pollution control change कर. Change कर अपन. The petitioner is directed to change the nomenclature of OP number 2, which is non-existent at present. Allah. Huh? So notice to 2, 3, 4, clearly. Huh? But I would like it. 2, 3, 4. And list the matter on 1st February.
Correction.
Correction for them. The petitioner to rectify that during the course of the day. Next. I want a court file correction. Next.
Item 36.
36.
Hey, please, Lordship, my lord. The present petitioner is challenging the action of the opposite party, especially the action of the District Legal Service Authority in not accepting the application for victim compensation. The fact remains, my lord, the husband of the present petitioner was assaulted by a knife and he sustained severe injury, for which case under section 307 was registered. An investigation completed and final provision submitted. In the meantime, my lord, Lordship kind of glance to annexure 2, page 21. The accused died, so the case has been closed. And after that, my lord, the wife of the
Case has been closed,
my lord, Lordship,
Oh,
because the
accused died.
Accused died, case has been closed. Thereafter, my lord, the injured died, and being aware of the victim compensation, the present petitioner, who is the wife of the injured person, made an application for victim compensation. And my lord, they are not accepting the application on the guise that since the case has been closed, you are not entitled for victim compensation.
Check it, mister. Okay. Not consider state to take instruction. 24th January. What is the law on that?
Law, my lord, that
If a person, suppose there is some
my lord, there is a rule that
incest kind of thing, and the accused die, what is the law?
my lord, he is a victim, my lord. He or she is a victim.
By victim, the victim, but if a person dies, case closed, then what happens? Is there anything such kind of?
Well, still he will remain with the definition of victim, my lord.
What is the definition of victim?
My lord, that is as per the Odisha victim compensation, my lord. Victim compensation, the eligibility for victim.
I am asking which definition? What is the definition of victim?
There is no definition of victim.
Empty heaven. Bina victim definition of victim de hi hoga. ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Eligibility. The victim satisfying the following criteria shall be eligible for compensation.
Criteria 1.
He or she has not been compensated for the loss or injury under any other scheme of the central of the state government.
Next.
Loss or injury sustained by the victim have caused substantial loss to the income of the family, making it difficult to live as before without the financial aid, or has affected his or her dignity or personality, or the medical treatment of mental.
ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା କେତେ ବଡ ଆଘାତ ହେଇଥିଲା?
मतलब knife injury.
Knife injury କୋଉଠି ହେଇଥିଲା?
Head.
Head ରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ରହିଥିଲେ?
7-8 days, my lord.
7-8 days ନା ଏମିତି ଖାଲି ଗପ?
7-8 days, my lord.
ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ବାଲାକୁ ପଟେଇକିରି 50-100 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେଲେ 7-8 days ଦେଇଦେବେ।
my lord, investigation complete.
କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ knife injury ଟି କେମିତି ଖରୋଚ ଆସିଥିଲା ନା ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିଥିଲା?
My lord,
knife injury can be खरोच also.
307
can also be injury.
Final for has been submitted under section 307, my lord.
That is fine. Of course 307 ହିଁ ହବ। section ରେ କଣ ଅଛି? Substantial injury ହେଇଛି କି ସେଟା ଦେଖିବାର ଅଛି। ଯଦି ନ ଥିବ କାଇଁ ନେଇ ଯିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଥା? At least କଣ substantial injury ହେଇଛି କି? Substantial injury ନ ହେଇକି 307 ହେଇପାରିବ। But substantial injury କଣ?
My lord, the under the Odisha victim compensation, my lord, my submission is that the primary duty of the DLSA is to accept the application.
Forget primary duty. They have to set up the.
My lord, whether I am eligible or not eligible.
So they have not accepted. Not accepted.
No, not accepted, my lord.
Final form 307 में
So in between 4 months, near about 5 months are already left. Now the question is whether there is due to this snapping or not. That is the only question.
My Lord, kindly glance to my application, my Lord.
Yeah, why don't, what he's saying that, okay, whether it's eligible, not eligible is a different question.
Yes.
But at least you accept the
Yes.
application. After
Lordship,
that,
Lordship,
you can,
Lordship,
is a
Lordship.
reject or you can accept, it's up to you.
Lordship, dispose of directing the DLSC to accept my application, my Lord. I will make fresh application, Lordship directing.
And pass order. The land council petition submit that.
And consider on merit, my Lord.
Obviously, bina merit count
My Lord. And I have referred in my application, I have referred the FIR number, my Lord. In Necessary 4 for page 23. That is due to the same incident, my Lord.
The petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite parties in not accepting the application of the petitioner for release of the compensation amount in favor of the petitioner under the victim compensation scheme. The petitioner submits that the opposite party number,
Number, my Lord, that is copy number 4.
Copy number 4 has not accepted, refused to accept the application by the present petitioner seeking victim compensation under the victim compensation scheme.
2017.
2017. Full stop. He further submits that the petitioner case, the merit of the case is there or not would be decided only after accepting the application. Whereas in the present case, the authority has not accepted the application of the present petition. Such causal approach will lead to losing faith in the scheme. Also, considering his submission, this court directs the present petitioner to approach the OP number 4 with a fresh application narrating the incidents and the FIR number, etc.
My Lord, already there.
Along with the
Injury report.
documents, if any, within 1 week from today.
2 weeks, my Lord.
2 weeks from today. And the authority shall consider the application in accordance with law.
Within a stipulated time period, my Lord.
Huh?
That would start.
Within 1 year from the date of accepted,
1 month,
date of receipt of the application.
1 month, my Lord.
1 month ago. 1 month.
Sir, victim definition is there, my Lord.
Read that.
Victim means a person who himself or herself suffered loss or injury as a result of crime, including mob violence and lynching, and requires rehabilitation, and in case of his or her death also his or her dependents.
So mob lynching nahi.
Crime achi, my Lord.
Huh?
Crime.
Crime re kaun hai? Read that again.
Victim means a person who himself or herself suffered a loss or injury as a result of crime, including mob violence and lynching, and requires.
Let it go.
It
You
doesn't-
approach that. Next.
Item 37.
37.
My lord, the father of the petitioner died due to fell down in a open well due to darkness.
Darkness.
My lord.
So open well padigala.
My lord.
Kodi.
Kuori. Kuori poikire bhasuti.
Bottle pakai dei lagi. Bottle ganjai କିଛି ପଡିଥିଲା PM report କଣ କହୁଛି ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ମାରିଥିଲା ନା ମଦ ପିଇଥିଲା
Drowning of death.
ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ନିଜେ ଝପେଇବେ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ବୋଲେ କେମିତି ହେବା
FIR ହେଇଛି. My lord. FIR ହେଇଛି.
FIR will be there but it is your fault why you have gone in the darkness to that.
Auspicious drowning death.
What is that see that page 30. Drowning रे हला ये हो जे Let him take instruction. ये कौन लिखी जेटा मुंडो मु रामचंद्र महंत एम्बो महंत ब्राह्मण संसद गत काली ठीक है take instruction land council state or take instruction please the matter on 22nd
With another.
30 30 केते 36 रो sorry 30 connected टा कहउछन्ती 38 सब notice ठीक है give a copy give 4-5 copy whatever सब थ्रू copy दे दो state let him take instruction 38
My pleasure. Petitioner is seeking a direction to the opposite party bank to settle the matter after deduction the interest between the COVID-19 pandemic period via the account number such and such corresponding to the bank account number such and such.
what do you want
And I want to settle the matter, accept the OTS scheme and proposal may be accepted.
केते लोन अछि आपनकर आउटस्टैंडिंग केते अछि
Outstanding ଅଛି प्रिंसिपल होची 4 लक्ष
आज्ञा आउटस्टैंडिंग केते कहंदो प्रिंसिपल कथा कहंदो
टोटल होची
प्रिंसिपल
5
माने किछि नै बैंक मैटर खाली प्रिंसिपल कहआ जायनी आउटस्टैंडिंग कहआ जाय
आउटस्टैंडिंग इज 5,18,695 टका 75 पैसा
आपण कोन करंती
जे गाडीटे लोन आनिथिलु फाइनान्स गाडी कोविड-19 रो बंद हे
को गाडी
टाटा पिकअप
तो आपण लोन नेथिले गाडी
आगे
केबे
2018 बसियारे जस्ट 3-4 मास परे कोविड-19 पड़ी गला
18 केबे कोविड हेले 3-4 मास पर कोविड हेले
नहीं 19-18 लास्ट को
19 के कोन आपण निशा खाइला वाला कथा कहउछन्ती कोविड आइला 2020 रे आपण 18 केबे कोविड आइला
ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड
केंदी हेला 18 गला 19 गला 20 रे पुनी मार्च मास रु प्राय ऑलमोस्ट आ कोन आपण कोविड लगैछन्ती एते केबे आपण एनपीए केबे हेला एनपीए कथा कहबेनी एगुडा प्रिपेयर करथिल तो कहबे
नहीं अच्छा
अछि कोन सब कोविड को जो माने कोविड जन्म न हेतिबा कोविड से जोड़ी देलेनी आपण वाह
से पीरियड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेशन जहां
एबे आपण एनपीए ला कोंदु आगो मते स्टेट बैंक रो नेथिले को बैंक रो
स्टेट बैंक
हां अच्छा स्टेट बैंक वाला पछरे अछंती आपण नोटिस नै जिनतु
17/9/2018
आपण गोटे काम करनांती एटा केबेटु आपण एनपीए जी कहली टिको
एमपीएच 2020 रो हेछ
आज्ञा 20 रे गोटे मासटे थिबो डेट थिबो 20 रु एमती आंसर देबेनी मो कोर्ट
माइल
दिस इज नॉट डन जहा को पजला गोटे 20 डिसेंबर डेट भी कहबेनी सब पूरा डिटेल कहबे ना
अच्छा नेक्स्ट
सेटा काई पढिबे आपण नेक्स्ट आंसर करथो बस आपण गोटे पेंसिल नेंतु पेंसिल अब ऊपर लिखिबे एबे प्रिपेयर करके आसीबे भलो करी लगो ऊपर लिखो एनपीए केबे हला लिखिबे लोन केबे लिखिबे आउटस्टैंडिंग तीनटा जिंस मिनिमम जानि के आसीबे टिकी बिना एरे पळे आछन कोर्ट को करी खाली
पास ओवर हम कह दिस
पास दीटा कहि मते हला हां पेंसिल फेरे हला
आज्ञा
नेक्स्ट
Item 40.
मोर नहीं ना ये सरकार मोर थोड़ी आपण कर जिंस नेक्स्ट
In this matter, Miller, the petitioner is challenging the provisional assessment made by the electric department Canal division and the order
सर
passed.
आपण को पाय आछन थी
Your Lordship, I am a consumer.
what are you for here
An expert order has been passed by the State Commission, State Consumer Commission.
आज्ञा कंज्यूमर कमिशनर काई जीबो एटा तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जीबो ना
Electricity.
तो सेटा तो अलगा जीबो एठी काई आसी
नहीं, assignment 8.
रॉन्ग फोरम
Assignment 8 years.
हां
8 assignment.
आपण में कंज्यूमर फोरम को जाइथिले
हां
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूमर फोरम को जाइगी
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कंज्यूमर फोरम
आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अलगा अछि ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट रे अछि तार फोरम
नहीं
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट रे अछि फोरम सर
एक्सपर्ट ऑर्डर टा जेतु हिची
एक्सपर्ट ऑर्डर हैला तार हाई कोर्ट पळे अछि
नेचुर
फिर
सेत्रे ये लॉशिप काइले बे ग्लास टू द ऑर्डर passed by the forum district forum that was a brief or details has been mentioned in the district forum order Miller But your lordship, kindly have a glance to page annexure 7, page 58, your lordship. The matter was heard. The appeal was filed on 19/4/2021.
Sir, consumer forum रे हेले जदि भी जिबे आपण स्टेट फोरम को जिबे एठी काहे आछथि
State forum रो order टा मु एठी चले
स्टेट फोरम रो
State commission रो
स्टेट कमिशन कोन कहला
State commission notice कले your lordship that starts from page 59. 7/5/21 रे 7/5/21 रु टोटल 18 थर मैटर लिस्ट हेछि आ नोटिस हेछि किंतु रिक्विजाइट फाइल करलनी रिक्विजाइट फाइल न करी कि लास्ट रे लिमिटेशन रो नोटिस भी हम पाखरे पहुंचीनी किंतु फाइनल ऑर्डर पास कर देले 22/2/23 फॉर दैट रीजन आई एम बिफोर योर लॉर्डशिप आई मे बी परमिटेड टू सबमिट माय सबमिशन बिफोर द स्टेट कमीशन दैट इज माय होल प्रेयर मिलर
18 थर हेछि एटा
आज्ञा
18 थर हेतला लागे
हाँ टोटल 18 थर लिस्ट हेछि मैटर सेथिरे से कोउथरे अपियर इलेक्ट्रिक जे फाइल करथिले अपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 3 अपियर भी करलेनी कोठी कोठी अपियर करछंती जदी कहछंती हम रिक्विजाइट फाइल करतो
आपण का पई आपण
होछि डोमेस्टिक
सेठी एप्लांट थिले सॉरी पिटिशनर
कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रिकल
अरे बाबा ए जो स्टेट कंज्यूमर फॉर आपण कोन थिले
मते अपोजिट पार्टी करछंती किंतु मते नोटिस देलेनी
से तो पचारछि अपोजिट पार्टी आपण थिले सेठी तापर मेटर लागितला किति थर
18 थर लिस्ट हला किंतु से टोटल रिक्विजाइट देनांती एमसीएम न करी कि लास्ट में फाइनल ऑर्डर 22/2 रे पास कर देले सेटा सेट कर देले ऑर्डर ता डिस्ट्रिक्ट फोरम रो विदाउट गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ हियरिंग
ओके एस डायरेक्टली हम कर दे आ नोटिस न करी सीधा लेट इट गो यू अप्रोच इट बिफोर दैट
डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्टेट कमीशन
देखो आपण जजमेंट देखांतु
आज्ञा यूपी मु आनी नि जजमेंट ता
देखिबे ना कोर्ट करिवो
कॉम्प्लेक्स बिल्ड कम जजमेंट का सुप्रीम कोर्ट
अरे सर दोलेस ना खाली ना देले कोन हो
जजमेंट ने 22
नहीं ना सुन केबे कल्याण तुम्हारो
सेतरे जस्टिस साहा कहले जो
आज्ञा जस्टिस साहा के को साहा मु जानि नि आपण मते ऑर्डर देखांतु गप्पर मु जेबी सब ऑर्डर देखि चलछि एबे लेटेस्ट जस्टिस पार्ट
मिस्टर नायक काइंडली पास ओवर दिलो
ओके 2 pm
item 42
and item 40 item 40 arjan on behalf of Achita Patnaik
42
नहीं
40 की गला ए हुंतु 40 की गला 40 रे की थिला
40 रे टुमोर होला
40 रे आपण का कहले पुनी कंफ्यूज काई करछन मु जानि पारुनी अननेसेसरी कंफ्यूज करछन आ को दिन काली निशा उतरिनी की न्यू ईयर निशा अब काई मजरे पसे आछन आ
44
हां
44
फिर 40 और 44 अलगा ना जाले भी सेते 40 लागे एठी 0 लागे जाननांती फिर नेक्स्ट
item 42
My lordship, I am praying for independent inquiry as I am affected due to
or what independent inquiry for what
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana package was not given to my petition.
गरीब कल्याण जो आपण कोन हला सुदा
सर कोविड रे मो petitioner हस्बैंड एक्सपायर करि एछंती आ जो कि ड्यूटी पीरियड रे थिले आ से माने भी एडमिट करछन जे ड्यूटी पीरियड रे थिले किंतु किछि जगह रे कोजन थिले आ ड्राफ्टिंग अथॉरिटी सिग्नेचर करना है
प्लीज डोंट टॉक सर प्लीज डिस्टर्ब होची प्लीज डोंट टॉक इनसाइड कोर्ट रूम excuse me sir don't talk inside court room how many times should I tell you please those who want to talk go outside I don't allow talking all the things जा गप करे बाहर जे गप कोन कोछि बुझियो नै आपण पड़ होचंती yes
sir my lordship Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package Garib Kalyan Yojana package is meant for the COVID warrior who is expired
COVID warrior आपण warrior थिले
sir mo petitioner
husband थिले husband कोन करथिले
असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर थिले माने सेक्शन रो
असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर में तो warrior कैटेगरी जानती नहीं
सर जेतु से जनरल पब्लिक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट रे काम करते
आसी आपण असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर थिले warrior केंदी हेले सर मेडिकल वाला से वारियर पुलिस वाला वारियर आपण कोठु वारियर हेले
ଯେହେତୁ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗରିବ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ଯୋଜନାଟା ସେଇ ପ୍ୟାକେଜ ଟା
ଏଇ ଭାଇ
ହେଇଥିଲା
ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ମାନେ କେବେଠୁ ଗରିବ ହେଲେନି ମ ଖାଇ ଖାଇକି ଧରିକି ରଖିଥିବ
ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗରିବ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ଯୋଜନା
इंजीनियर मैंने गरीब केवट हेले अब हजबैंड इंजीनियर तो आपण गरीब कल्याण योजना रे आइले केमती कहंतु पहले जदि आपण हजबैंड इंजीनियर हेले ताले आपण गरीब कल्याण योजना रे केमती आइले मते बतांतु एटा तो पूरा बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन लोक मान पई
सर जे एम्प्लॉय ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବି ହେଇପାରିବେ सर ଯୋଉମାନେ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଗରିବ କଲ୍ୟାଣ ଯୋଜନା
कोडी होई परिबे मते बतांतु कोन से स्कीम रे केमती कि को माने तार बेनिफिशियरी हेबी आपण टी कहले मते
बेनिफिशियरी सर जेहेतु बेनिफिशियरी साइट रे कलेक्टर भी एक्सेप्ट करछन्ती हम एप्लीकेशन केवल इंस्पेक्शन
आपण एप्लीकेशन एक्सेप्ट कर ले गेला तापर डिसाइड करछन्ती
डिसाइड से डिपेंड अपन
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मते कहंतु आपण तो हस्बैंड जदी चाकरी करतले तांगर तो बेनिफिट्स तापर पाइथिबे ना सर तांगर जो जहाँ भी थिबो पेंशनरी बेनिफिट ब्ला 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 आपण मिलिथिबो आ आपण गरीब किंती हेले
तो कोविड टाइम रे जीपीएच वर्क करथले सैनिटेशन वर्क करथले बोलिए
आपण माने सब मो कथाटा सुनंतु आपण फास्ट स्कीम रे जाउछंती कि मते बतांतु ए स्कीम रे किए जाए हु विल कम अंडर दिस स्कीम किए आसे
26% जोने अफेक्टेड हेचंदी जोने
आपण न पड़ी कि नहीं गपंतुनी मते मते से स्कीम पड़ी देखा सुनांतु हु विल बी द बेनिफिशियरी अंडर द प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज आपण पढ़ांतु के से अछि के हेबो देखंतु कोठी लगेछंती कोठी लगेछंती देखले
33 सर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट
कोडी
मैनेजर 33
33
जियो ऑफ हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट
रुआंतु 33 अब एनेक्सर गुड़ाक 1 2 3 4 को लिखा जाए रोमान 1 एमती लिखा जाए 1 2 एक्स आई भी वी आई एमती लिखा जाए एनेक्सर टाको सेमती लिखा जाए आपण बरहमपुर करछंती नेक्स्ट टाइम कला वाले 1 2 3 4 5 एमती लिखिबे एक्स एक्स बी आई एक्स बी आई एक्स आई एमती लिखिबेनी दैट इज रोमान numerical system. Roman numerical system is not to be put in the annexer number. It has to be 1 2 3 4 like that numerical. Normal numerical. So here x what is that?
Sir, triple x I4 14
अरे ट्रिपल एक्स रिजेक्ट करिया कथा एमजी फालतू धरि बाजू सीधा 1 2 3 4 लिखले कोन असुविधा होची जानि केते कंफ्यूजन होची
सर
फर्दर आगो केबे एंती करबेनी किंतु एक्सेप्ट करछन कि जानि बरहमपुर बोले एक्सेप्ट कर दिलो एठी ले कर न थांत एबे डिफेक्ट लागिबो एंती कले नोट डाउन नोट नेवर डू दिस अगेन 1 2 3 4 5 सीधा लिखिबे आपण अधिक चालाक x v i x i x i i आपनकर स्कीम टा देखांतु ना कोन सब देखौचंदी ओय ते स्कीम
प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज इंश्योरेंस फॉर हेल्थ वर्कर
रोहन तो ठीक है हां 60 ते खामखेली काम माने करन किंतु लिखि जिंदगी एनेक्सर तर मन इच्छा गारी दिसिन माने एटा कोन एटा गारी पे आपण केस फाइल करछन ए कोन लिखा छी
The colleague subject प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज इंश्योरेंस फी फॉर हेल्थ वर्कर्स
हां हेल्थ वर्कर्स नॉट फॉर यू आपण पर इंजीनियर केबेटू हेल्थ वर्कर हेले सर
Sir, health providers
who may have to be direct contact and care of COVID-19 patients and who may be at risk of being impacted by this. Also on account of the unprecedented situation, private hospital staff, retired volunteer, local urban bodies, contract, daily wage, ad hoc, outsourced staff, requisitioned by the state, central hospitals, autonomous hospitals of the central and states, AIMS, INIs hospitals, central ministry, hospitals of central ministries also, so. इधर आपण तो कैटेगरी आसु ना हंती आपण किंदी आस मागले इतरे not falling under the category
health public, general health, public health different, sir.
सर आपण इंजीनियर हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल आपण थोड़ी
नहीं सर, अबे इंजीनियर जे सैनिटेशन वर्क करते ना सर, जीपीएच जनरल पब्लिक हेल्थ
आई एम डिसमिसिंग सर आपण बहुत गपुछंती आपण डिसमिसिंग मु कहूची मो आंसर दोने कर खाली एडसे कहउछंती यू आर एन इंजीनियर सर यू आर नॉट कमिंग अंडर दिस प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना ठीक है पढ़ंतु तो कम से कम आपण से स्कीम रे आसुचंती ना नहीं जस्ट आइले फाइल कर देले आखि बंद करी लगो एज फॉर द sorry land counsel for the petitioner submits that he has she has lost her husband due to COVID who was an कौन थिले assistant engineer under
जीपीएच जनरल
under works department she has approached the कागो अप्रोच कले कलेक्टर
जनरल हेल्थ पब्लिक हेल्थ एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर जनरल एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर जनरल पब्लिक हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट
okay executive engineer public health department seeking to consider his case under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package Insurance Scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19. Hala. As per the said scheme, only the health workers and all the health workers fighting for the COVID and coming direct contact of the COVID patients who may be at risk of being impacted by this are covered under the scheme. The petitioner in no way concerned with the said health worker or health volunteer job. Hence, the petitioner case cannot be considered under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Package Insurance Scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19. Accordingly, the petitioner case is dismissed.
Item 43.
You can't come, sir. Whatever departmental job मिलिबा फायदा सेटा नियंतु आउ एथिरे आपण पाइबेनी because he was assistant engineer he must be getting some departmental किछि थिबो सेथिरे पाइबे जहा पाइबे आउ एथिरे कोविड रे मिलिबनी जोडा मिलला सब माने सब बैग रे पुरेबी उलाइले हबो जोडा मिलिबा पे आपण योग्य ता पे हेले सना हबो नेक्स्ट
May I please?
43.
43.
Last occasion, your lordship direct the state government to obtain instruction in the matter, my lord. And that is also related to.
COVID-19 point number 1.
who are I mean what was your profession sir
Chief warder of Noyagarh jail. Chief, you are retired.
आपण में से कोविड ए स्कीम अंडर
No. I am more scheme. And last occasion.
आपण वारियर केमदी आइबे
No. Last occasion, your lordship.
आपण वारियर केमदी आले मते बुझांतु फास्ट
I am going to the scheme, your lordship.
Yes, come to the
Annexure 4.
come to the scheme.
Annexure 4.
Annexure 4. Yes.
Last paragraph, your lordship, that is relevant.
Yes.
Now, therefore, government of Odisha has decided to pay a sum of rupees 50 lakhs to the spouse next to kin of any person drafted by government or its agency to perform COVID-19 related duties. And in case such person succumb to the disease after contracting any person, they say that
COVID-19 disease रे केतला ड्राफ्ट करा हला हेडा देखंदो मते
that has been your lordship.
COVID-19 ड्यूटी पई गवर्नमेंट आपन को नेई छी ताले आपन एलिजिबल न हले यू आर नॉट
Yes, and
नॉर्मल आपन का ड्यूटी आपन कले मु कले बोल हो
yes, I have given the list of inmates, my lord. 200 or 150 inmates were affected by COVID. They were kept in quarantine. And I was in charge of that quarantine center and looking after the inmates. And your lordship may kindly say Annexure 1, your lordship may kindly see.
But sir, you have not been drafted.
Yes, Annexure 1.
काम सेटा
Yes,
कोविड अच्छा गोटे कथा कहू आमे शुणुचु केस आपण 20 लोक आसबे कोविड हेगले मते कोविड हेगला मा डेथ हेगला ବୋଲେ ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ COVID so was I performing my duty?
as COVID related duties.
ମତେ
ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ ଇଏ
ସେମିତି କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ସେଟା ସାର୍?
ନା ନା ସେଇ ଯୋଉ କୋଭିଡ ରିଲେଟେଡ କ୍ୱାରେଣ୍ଟାଇନ ରେ ରଖାଗଲା
କ୍ୱାରେଣ୍ଟାଇନ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଜେଲର ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାମ ସେଟା ୱାର୍ଡେନ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଜଗିବେ ଜେଲ ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ ହାଜାର୍ଡ
ନା ସେ ଆର୍ଥର ବି
ନା 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 ସାର୍
ସେମାନେ
କିଏ ପାଇଛି କିଏ ପାଇଛି
ପାଇଛି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କିଏ ପାଇଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି
ଆର୍ଥର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲେ
ଯଦି କିଏ ପାଇଛି ବୋଲେ
ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କିଏ ପାଇଛି ଇଏ ଲୋକଟା କଣ ଥିଲା?
ଏ ଲୋକଟା ଥିଲା ଏକ୍ସ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜେଲର ଅଫ ସବ ଜେଲ ଛତ୍ରପୁର ଗଞ୍ଜାମ।
ତ ଇଏ ଲୋକ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ୟାକୁ କାଇଁ ଦେବେନି ତାହେଲେ? ଇଜ ରାଇଟ୍?
ଆର୍ଥର କହିଥିଲେ
ଯଦି ଏ ଲୋକକୁ ଦେଲେ କାଇଁ ପାଇବନି? ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ନଟ୍ ବି ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ। ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଲାର୍ନ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦ ପିଟିଶନର୍ସ submit that since an order has been passed by the department the collector come chairman DDMA Ganjam Chhatrapur wherein a similarly placed person named Lambodara Bhoi who was ex-assistant jailer of sub-jail Chhatrapur of Ganjam district has been sanctioned rupees 50 lakh towards the what that compensation for COVID-19 warrior scheme under the COVID-19 warrior scheme. Hence, the present petitioner also qualifies to receive the said amount since the nature of duty of the person who has been sanctioned and the present petitioner is the same as per the letter 29/2023 passed by the office of the collector come chairman DDMA Ganjam Chhatrapur. Learn comes to the state to take instruction as to why the present petitioner should not be covered under the said scheme. Let him take it. Otherwise ମୋ ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି କରିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାହିଁ ଡକ୍ଟର
ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେପାରେଟ ଦିଆଉଥିଲା ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସେଣ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି ଏମାନେ ଅଲଗା ମାନେ ସବୁ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି କରୁଥିଲେ ଏପଟେ ଆକୁ
ठीक है if is getting that you should get it next on record ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ
ଦେଇ already sir
next
Item 44.
Fixing on 11. Next.
My lord, item 44, I pray for 2 weeks time, my lord. Petitioner has applied under RT Act the Mahindra loan Suresh charges scheme, my lord. That has not been availed. 44. Okay. 2 weeks after.
Land comes for the petitioner 2 weeks time for obtaining some information under RTI, which will be relevant for the case or the relevant for the present case. Okay. Let's the matter on 25th.
My lord.
Next.
45.
In item 45, I am on VC, my lords.
Yes, sir. Please.
For the opposite party, petition is disposed of case. A petition has been filed for recalling order dated 13/7/2015, but no copy has been served.
Who has filed?
The petitioner must have filed it.
Okay, nobody is there.
Nobody is there.
None appears for the petitioner. List the matter on 18 January 18 log this. Let them. In the meantime, the petitioner council shall serve a copy on the council for the bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Item 46.
46. None appears. List the matter on 7th February. 47.
47.
47, Miller. Here, the petitioner is in custody since 9/8/2020, Miller. And here offense is 370.
9/8?
2020, 2020. Since more than 3 years, Miller. And here
more than 3 years ganja case
ganja no
76 how
376 and earlier your lordship targeted so many times.
I am not nowadays I have stopped targeting.
Yes, my lord. But
targeting is a crime now. Earlier it was not a crime.
But in spite of your lordship's direction, since last 3-year trial has
Sir, I am not directing anything, sir. I don't know the condition of the trial code. Why should I target? No.
Yes, apart from that, but targeted, already targeted, but till that.
No,
since
I
last
was
3
wrong
years-
in targeting. I am not targeting. I am not committing the same error again.
Yes, my lord. I am not praying for targeting, my
So
lord.
what you
But,
want for
but
bail?
here, my lord, why I want to for
What is
bail?
what is the
Because
total number of what is the
witnesses, my
status?
lord, 18 witnesses total, my lord. Out of, sorry, 15 witnesses were examined out of 18, my lord. And
sorry, you
till that, 2022 ମସିହାରୁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ଆରେ sir
ଗୋଟେ
ସରିଯିବ କାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ଏଇଟା କନ୍ଧମାଳ
କନ୍ଧମାଳ ଦା ସରିଯିବ ବେଶୀ କେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ସେଠି ସରିଯିବ
ସରିଯିବ ସେ
କନ୍ଧମାଳରେ କମ୍ case।
4 ଥର ଆପଣ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କରିସାରିଲେଣି
କନ୍ଧମାଳ କମ୍ case।
ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କଲେଣି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ
Okay.
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଭିକ୍ଟିମ ସବୁ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ ସରିଲେଣି ତାହେଲେ କିଛି ଦିନ ପାଇଁ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ
interim
ଏଇଟା 3
କଣ ପାଇଁ interim
3 ମାସ ହେଲା 3 ବର୍ଷ
କଣ
ହେଲା
ପାଇଁ interim sir କଣ ପାଇଁ
no I have not
just
filed any
because he stayed for 3 years ଆଉ କେତେ ଲୋକ ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ମାନେ ସାଦା ପକେଟ ମରା କ୍ରାଇମ ନୁହେଁ
This is
କିଲୋ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ କିଲୋ କେତେ କିଲୋ
453 kgs, my lord, and all
କେତେ
other
କେତେ
53
ଆଉ କମ ହେଲାନି
is in custody from 12/8/2020 and
12/8/2020
3 accused persons have already been released on bail, my lord.
यूपी के हैं हम सर यूपी
Yeah.
चले गए तो कौन आपके पीछे भागेगा
सर यूपी का ऑलरेडी छोड़ दिए हैं सर आप
यूपी का
yes
Yeah.
yes
ऑर्डर देख ले
document of the truck has already been released
ऑर्डर देख ले
again 7350 of
ऑर्डर
23.
काई ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Yes, my lord, I had given, my lord.
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଲେ
That is 145 page
अरे सर
145.
ଏଇ ଫାଇଲ ରେ ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ
हाँ sir, at page 141 and 145.
ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ
Hmm.
3 लाख देवे कैट सिक्योरिटी ଯିବେ ଆଉ ଦେବେ ଏ ଯେମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଏମିତି ଅର୍ଡର ଏକା ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଆଉ କିଛି କରନ୍ତୁନି
ଅଧିକା ଦେଇପାରିବନି ବୋଧେ sir, ଟିକେ କମ
ଆଉ ଏମିତି କହିଲେ ହବ ଆଉ ଆସିକିରି ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଏଠୁ ନେଇକି ଯୋଉ ପଇସା ଏତେ କମେଇଥିବେ ସେଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା ଆପଣ 3 ଲାख ଦେବେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ बाहर स्टेट ना ओडिशा हेले किसी जीरो रे छाड़ी देथांती 10,000 रे छाड़ी देथांती दूसरे स्टेट को कोई भरोसा नहीं है देन टू यूपी को कोण रही जिबा ता खोजी खोजी मिलियोनी
but the other accused I think
अदर के 3 लाख सर
that is the car wala sir,
जहां ऑर्डर देखुचंदी से ऑर्डर सिमिलर ऑर्डर पास कर दीजिए हला
as your lordship pleases.
ओके ग्रांटेड आप प्रति डेट रे प्रेजेंट हबो ए सब लिखि दिबो ना गोटे डेट रे प्रेजेंट हले संगे संगे एमडी ये करा हो नेक्स्ट
49
49
item 49
49 49 रे केना non APS let's matter on 15 February
50
No, dear, your lordship has already enlarged some of the similarly situated or standing accused person. Here I am in custody since 12/8/2020 on remand, my lord.
कोडी का रे
Local, my lord.
लोकल बहादुर हम एठी ओडिसा रे बहादुर तन अछि
Koraput.
बहादुर अच्छा
Koraput. I have supplied the similar orders.
दे दे नेक्स्ट
51
51
May I praise you, Lord.
Okay, yes.
May I praise you also? The petitioner is in custody since 17/10/2020, my lord, for commission of offense under section 376(2)(a), 328, 292, and 354C, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, the trial has already commenced, and prosecution witness, 9 number of prosecution witness has been examined.
Out of?
Total 9 ହିଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି. Last IO.
They have all been examined.
IO ଟା part consideration ଅଛି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଅଟକ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
Statement ଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, allegation
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ ସଇଲାଣି, ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ହେବ, ଏତେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଏଠି କଣ ମାନେ
ଆପଣ ତ ଯଦି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ ବାହାରି ଯିବେ।
page 30 ଦେଖିବେ informantଙ୍କ cross examination ବେଳେ Lordship may see.
That is fine, but now at the fake end of the I do not want.
She says that she has not taken my photograph, there was no forcible sexual intercourse. She has said everything, my lord.
ଆପଣ ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଲେଖିବି ଏଟା ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଠି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରେ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ପଡିବ। ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଖାଲି କ୍ରସ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମିନେସନ ସରିଛି ସିନା, ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ପୁରା ଅଛି, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରୁନି, ତେଣୁ ସିମ୍ପଲି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ରିଜେକ୍ଟିଂ। ହେଲା, ଆପଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ନହେଲେ ପୁଣି ଆସିବେ। ଇଜ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆଗ since the matter is at the fake end of the since the present case is at the fake end of the trial, this court is not inclined to consider the application at present. If trial doesn't complete within, if the judgment is not pronounced within, judgment kind of, is a trial not complete and judgment is not pronounced within 3 months from today, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach this court.
Right. God bless you.
52.
52.
May I please your lordship? The petitioner is in custody, my lord, since 21st November 2019.
କେତେଟା ସେକ୍ସନ ଲାଗିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ?
My lord.
364, 377, 120B.
My lord.
फिर Arms Act.
My lord.
ଆଉ କଣ କଣ?
Last occasion on lordship's order, lordship was not inclined, but however, lordship directed me to move 2 months after. But this has not been reflected. And 20th November, your lordship had rejected the earlier bail applications. Only 4 years, 2 months. Out of 28 witnesses, my lord, only 8 witnesses have been examined.
What is the rule?
ଏତେ
ସମୟ ନେଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ। withdraw କରିବେ starting ରୁ ଯାଇକିନା କରିବେ।
either or ତ ଗୋଟେ
toss.
Only I am here to exercise my option only, man.
No toss allowed, sir.
Only.
Next item.
Permit to withdraw, my lord.
Item 53.
Argument କଲା ପରେ ଆମେ permit କରେন। Next item.
Item 53.
53. Non-appears. List the matter on 7th March. Next.
54.
54.
May I please? May I please?
Yes.
Even the petitioner is in custody since 5.
କେତେ କିଲୋ?
775 kg.
ହଁ?
775 kg.
କି କମ ଆଜି ଆଜିକାଲି ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି। ହଉ 700, 800, 1000।
Is from Andhra.
Andhra?
NCB ରେ ଅଛି।
ହଁ? କୋଉଠି?
NCB case ଟା।
NCB ଅଛନ୍ତି?
I will appeal.
You're appealing? Okay, you just କେବେଠୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, 5th June 2020. 3 years, 7 months in custody.
Andhra.
Last order your lordship. Case 35.
ଆପଣ NCB ବେଲେ ହଠାତ୍ କେମିତି ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି? ବାକି ତ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଥାଏ।
ଆମର allotment ସକାଳେ ହେଇଯାଏ ଏଇ କେସଟା।
ବାକି ଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ମଝିରେ ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ନା କଣ?
ଯୋଉଟା allotment
ସବୁଥିରେ ତ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଥାଏ, ହଠାତ୍ NCB କାହିଁ?
ଏଇଟା NCB ଟା ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଯେହେତୁ
ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି। ଯିବ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଯିବ ପୁଣି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ସେଇଠି ଯାଏନି, ଏମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଯିବେ। ସରି, ବେଲ ଦେଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା।
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କଣ ମାଗିଥିଲେ ଲର୍ଡସିପ 35
NCB ଯଦି ଥାଏ ନା ସେଥିରେ ବେଲ ଦେଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା, ସେମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପଳାନ୍ତି ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟ ଦେଲା ଏ 700 କିଲୋ ଦେଇଦେଲା।
The present petitioner's application has been 5 times rejected, and he is a HIV patient.
10 time reject ହେବ। କଣ ହେଲା?
HIV patient. District को खोर्धा, my lord.
Khurda? Okay, I'm passing order to district to conclude the trial at the.
My lord, the thrice is has been directed to conclude. My lord, only one player, my lord.
Trial court is directed to complete the trial at the earliest possible since the petitioner.
My lord, it was
Since the petitioner is petitioner is suffering from HIV. Considering the physical condition of the present petitioner, the trial court should ensure that no unnecessary adjournments are avoided and the matter be heard at the earliest possible. Hello?
My lord, only one player, my lord.
How
And they
player?
have running page 31, my lord. Earlier, my lord has directed to conclude the trial within 6 months. Thereafter, 2 months. Thereafter, conclude the trial earlier. 5 times, my lord. 5 times.
10 times भी हबो ଆମର କ୍ରାଇମ କରିବା କି କହିଥିଲା
My lord, he is in
କ୍ରାଇମ
caution.
କରିବା କି କହିଥିଲା
My lord, is liberally granted. In granted cases, my lord,
Indian court system, what to do?
my lord is granting liberally. I saw my lord has granting.
Liberally I grant.
Yes, my lord.
NCB there.
NCB, my lord,
grant कर सुप्रीम कोर्ट फिर पढ़े दो
my lord, he is HIV patient.
मैं एंश्योर करछि कि हम ग्रांट कले एटलीस्ट
My lord has ensured three or four times, my lord.
नहीं लास्ट ऑर्डर तो किसी नहीं
हाँ अच्छी देखना जी
लास्ट ऑर्डर पे आपने ट्रायल टा कंप्लीट हो बोले सिलेक्ट
अरे ट्रायल कंप्लीट हो जाओ जल्दी जान दो
अगेन पास 3 थरा डायरेक्शन
भी आंध्र वाला के
6 मास रे ट्रायल छरिया को दिया गला तब 2 मास रे तब ट्रायल
ना ना सर
एक्सपीरियंस ट्रायल एचआईवी पेशेंट मतलब एक रिपोर्ट में
कोइली पर एचआईवी पेशेंट जदी दरकार ना मूव एन एप्लीकेशन I will ensure that he will be taken to the best hospital, he will be given best treatment.
Only a माने call for a report, my lord.
कौन पे call for report?
Report what is
the HIV patient खाली कह देला कौन है जे आपने देले नहीं
मतलब I will मतलब kindly call for a report, my lord. Only player, my lord.
की report कौन report?
Sir, health condition, my lord.
ठीक है ठीक है कर दे हां the को जेल
खोर्धा जेल, my lord.
खोर्धा जेल
Yes, my lord.
the jailer खोर्धा is directed to submit the detailed health condition of the present petitioner who is suffering from HIV. Okay. This is the matter on 12.
Okay.
You have taken advantage of that HIV. I would go after the I would case.
Say case एटा आगे सही लोग
एदा दिया है तला मजरे
ना दिया इन जम
नहीं
5 थरा गला এই লোকর 5 थरा
let's see इसका health condition बहुत खराब चला गया. Next.
এই লোকর 5 थरा गया
हो देखिए 5 थरा प्रॉब्लम इज indirectly बहुत कथा कहि देली ता बाकी आपण बुझंत बुझि नेले हला हां जान दो. Next.
My lord, here custody since 29/9/2019. 30 offense is 302.
302.
Yes, my lord.
What have you done? What have you done?
My lord, here 15 examination is
Killed his wife.
Huh?
Killed his wife.
Now, what is the single word called killing the wife? First you tell me that, after that I'll just go. What is the single word? Who killed the wife? A person who kills his wife, what is it called? I mean, what is the term called wife killing? कौन कौन थी? Insect killing को कौन कौन थी? Insect killing को कौन थी? हाँ आप लोग पढ़ते नहीं कुछ. Insecticide, right? Killing of insect.
Yes.
तो wife killing को? Wife killing को कौन थी? Oxoricide. Okay. Now, he has been in custody since
29/9/2019.
29/9/2019.
19. Yes, my lord.
How he killed his wife? How did he kill? How?
My lord, here.
अरे पढ़ी कि सुनो भल कि एठी आसी पढ़िले कोन हबो एठी पढ़ी कि आसीबा कथा ना
Page 11 is.
पेज 11 पढ़िले हबनी
मोर नाम सुनील कुमार भोई
मु
पिता
से फोन नाम पचाली मु पचाली केमती मला से କେମିତି ମାଇଲା ପଚାରୁଛି?
Hit on the forehead with an axe.
So violent. So violent.
Discovered under section 27, the axe has been discovered seized.
ଏବେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୁ ଯାଇଛି?
There is 14, out of 24 witnesses, 15 have been examined.
ଆଉ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ।
My lord, last occasion your lawsuit directed to trial.
ମୁଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ କଣ କରିଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି।
Trial may be experience. Experience
ତ
within
ଠିକ
period of
ହେଲା,
6
ହେଇପାରିଲାନି ହେଇପାରିଲାନି।
6 months.
ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ 6 month ଦେଇଦବା କଣ ଅଛି? ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଅଛି?
In the meantime, 15 witnesses.
ଆଉ ମାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଭାବିଲେନି ସେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ମାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ହଁ ଏତେ ଡ୍ରେଡେଡ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ ଦୟା ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ବାଇ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କରି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କରିଯାନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବା କଥା ଆପଣ ଭଳିଆ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଦୟା ନାହିଁ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆରେ ଗୋଟେ ମାରିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ମାରିଲେ କେମିତି ଲାଗିବ ସେମିତିଆ ଚିନ୍ତା ଲାଗିବ the trial is on the second at this time the granting of bail shall affect the trial hence this court is not inclined. Next.
Item 56.
56. 56.
Item 56, your lordships, on behalf of learned counsel, Mr. B.R. Tripathi, I humbly prefer an adjournment.
ଆପଣ ଆଗକୁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
My lord, he is ill. He instructed me over.
କଣ ହେଇଛି କେସଟା କହନ୍ତୁ ହେଇପାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବେଲ ଦେଇ ପାରେ
No instructions, your
ଆରେ
lordship.
ନ ପଢନ୍ତୁ କଣ
I don't have the brief even, my lord. He instructed me
କଣ
over
ହେଇଛି
phone.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବ୍ରିଫ ନଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଶୁଣିବି ଦେବି ବେଲ
364 A 302. He has
କଣ
been in
କରିଛି ସେ
custody since
କଣ କରିଛି ସେ କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
ସେ ଅଛି 18/1/2020. 18/1/2020.
20
Again.
କଣ କରିଛି
Preliminary charge sheet.
what has he done
He has while the driver of a truck carrying polymer, the driver was sleeping on the roadside. They broke the glass, entered the vehicle, killed the driver, and stole the truck. Truck has been recovered, body has been recovered.
ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି when do you want
Day after tomorrow,
ठीक है 12th
my lord. Obliged, lord.
okay next
57.
57
May Lordship, on the last occasion, the petitioner was granted.
Abuni, how do you
On the last occasion, petitioner
how do you
was- On the last occasion, petitioner was granted interim bail for 8 weeks, and he has been duly surrendered and inside the custody. But I could not get the surrender certificate due to the vacation. I have applied. I'll file the surrender certificate.
okay so you file six 1 week time
Yes, 1
1
week.
week time to file the surrender certificate estimate 16 das hala next
58.
58 58 non APS ଏ 2003 ର କେସଟା ଏଟା କେତେ ଲାଗିଲାଣି ଆଗରୁ ଓ यार तो चेकर्ड हिस्ट्री अच्छी लंबा चौड़ा लगी केते थर लगी बाप रे गोटे चांस दे दो दुईटा चांस भी देबनी नॉन एपीएस लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन 12 नहीं 12 नहीं आज के 5th लगा 5th लगा
15.
नॉन एपीएस फॉर द पिटिशनर लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन 5th नेक्स्ट
59.
59 यार पिटिशनर के नाम थी 2003 मैटर नॉन एपीएस फॉर द पिटिशनर as the record reflects nobody is appearing in this matter for the petitioner the last chance may be given to the petitioner to sorry so the registry is directed to के आओ के ऐसी नहीं है since the matter pertaining to 2003 and is the last occasion में नाम था क्या बोले कोर्ट को नाम था नहीं published okay it seems that the requisite has not been filed nor anybody has appeared in the matter since 2003. 2003 तक पढ़ते ना? तीन तक.
Again, 2003. ସେତେବେଳେ first ହଉଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ଆଉ
Hence, this matter doesn't deserve to be unnecessary. Also, this matter unnecessarily. Dismissed for non-prosecution. However, if any observation survives, the petitioner is granted 1 month time to. No, the petitioner may file the registration application is 1 month. Revival. Next.
Item 60.
60? 60?
60.
60. None. Yeah, madam. 61?
61.
Withdraw. Land cast of the petitioner. 62. Withdraw the petition. Accordingly, withdraw the grant. Dispose of. Next. 62.
62.
May please.
I am the opposite party. There's a paid for a payment of gratitude. Gratuity. Gratuity we have paid on 15/4/2019.
Okay.
The person has died on 6/10/2021. Petition for amendment 11/11/2022.
Okay.
This already we have paid this one.
So for an interest part is concerned, I have filed this case motor. 2003 petition was retired motor. And 31/10/2003 petitioner was 31/1/2003 petitioner retired. They paid the gratuity in 2019. We filed the case in 2009.
Why is there a delay? What is the delay?
16 years in the there.
What is the cause for delay?
That is there.
Sir, what is the cause for delay?
Because there is a lot of
What is this?
बहुत पैसा he has taken corrupted lot of money. So there is an discipline proceedings. There is an inquiry. There is a 3 committee has done. Yes, my lord.
Then also.
Then we have.
You don't deserve any interest. You don't deserve any interest. I said interest.
Everything is there. Everything is there.
Inquiry completion and
Yes.
lawsuit kind of
Kebe.
Today the matter has come.
Kebe to ela kontu.
Inquiry was completed. 2007. Page 41, Annexer 4.
Just.
Triangular committee.
Triangular committee is consisting in all departmental ଯେତେକ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କୁ ମିଶେଇକିନା triangular committee କରିଥିଲେ.
My lord, that is the procedures.
Matter has come for my lord. Today the matter has come for substitution of the petitioner's wife, my lord. I have filed a petition for substitution. Let the substitution be allowed.
Okay, substitution allowed.
My lord. And I'm also serving a copy.
Okay. List the matter on 17th.
17th.
For finally hearing. In the meantime, land council the state to take instruction. Interest diya jai pari.
Nothing to.
Sorry, OFDC. Land council OFDC to take instruction regarding the payment of interest, if any. Hala, our interest.
My lord, I will not be there. I will not be there on 19th. Any date.
22nd.
No. I will not be there this week. From
22nd.
From 11th to 19th, I will not.
22nd.
Oh.
20. Next.
63.
63. Bell don't go pass yala bade.
Sir, it a letter route potential. If trial ta conclude kar panan time enough time.
हाँ ठीक another 6 months granted लिख दे 6 months granted लिख दो as per the request made by the चिट्ठी लिख दो 6 months time granted. Next.
Item 64.
64.
64 for restoration of the original application. Restoration man.
कौन पे?
Due to non-appearance, it was dismissed.
आपका कितने दिन क्या फाइल करें? Dismiss के बाद इतना.
4/9/20.
आपण फाइल कले?
There was a delay. I will file a.
4/9/23. आपण फाइल के बकले?
Subsequently, there was a delay, my lord. After
କେତେ delay କହନ୍ତୁ?
We have received it on 12/12. We have received the copy on 12/12.
Sir, ଆପଣ delay କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ file କଲେ?
near about 3 months.
3 months. Delay condoned for filing the application for clarification.
What a limitation.
limitation petition file
for
for
condemnation of-
Karnadi?
I will file it.
Not consider the petitioner to file the limitation application for condemnation of delay. This is the matter on 24th. ଆପଣ ଲେଟ୍ କରିବେ delay ଦେବେନି କି କଥା?
item 65 withdrawal
Hmm?
withdrawal memo file କରୁଛନ୍ତି
କୋଉଟା 65?
65
ଏଇଟା 64 ଟା କାଇଁ
64 ଟା IA file କଲେ
Okay, 65 withdrawal. Withdrawal granted. Next.
item 66
66.
Chip, in this application, the petitioner challenges the order dated 26/7/2020 2013 passed directing the petitioner to undergo SI for 1 year for the offense under section 135(1)(a) of the Electricity Act, and further sentenced to SI for 1 year for the offense under section 304(a) of the IPC, and to pay fine 1,000.
First time?
Yes.
Okay.
Lordship,
Almost
there is a
7-year delay here filing.
delay.
2,215.
2,215 days delay. Almost 6 years.
6 year.
6 years some odds.
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି?
It was on
6 ବର୍ଷ ଯାଏ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି?
bail ରେ ଥିଲା ତ ଜାଣିପାରିଲାନି ଆଉ।
ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି? ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ନ ପଡିଲା କି ଜାଣନ୍ତିନି? ଭିତରେ ଥିଲେ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତେ। କଣ ଡିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିଲେ ହେଲା କୁହନ୍ତୁ? ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କୋଉଠି?
IA
କୋଉଟା ଆଇ ନମ୍ବର?
785
ଡିଲେ ମତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସାଟିସ୍ଫାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ। What is the reason for the delay?
That Lordship, during the trial he was on bail and he never admits utilized it.
What is his profession?
He's a young boy, Lordship.
What does he do? କଣ କରେ ସେ?
ପାଠ ପଢେ।
Huh?
He's a student, Your Lordship. He's studying, Your Lordship.
What is the age now?
Age is 28 as per the rejection order.
Student.
Yes.
କଣ କଲା?
That allegation is that he was trying to theft electricity from a pole, and the informant's daughter came across the tiered wire and died due to electric shock.
Okay, delay confirmed. Since he is a student and the petitioner was a student and he did know about the order passed by this court. As there was a huge communication gap between lawyer and the petitioner, I couldn't delay condone. Admit. Delay condone, admit,
Lordship, there is another IA for bail and another for sterilization.
Sterilization of fine and okay.
ବାହାରେ ଅଛି କହିଲେ ପୁଣି
ବାହାରେ ଆରେ କି କଥା?
भी जावेले bail तो
ବାହାରେ ଅଛି ବେଲ୍ ମାନେ କଣ? ବେଲ୍ ମାନେ କଣ? Okay. Yeah, next.
My lord,
67
my lord is posting this to
Posting to March 6th. For final hearing, ready? What is your name? Ready March re. You have to argue. Senior कहले हबन. Okay. Next.
67
Meet repeat. Here, my lord, I am challenging the order dated 4/10/2023 in rejecting my prayer for release the vehicle under section 457. I have filed this criminal revision before the Hon'Ble court, and the allegation that the petitioner was taking 50 liters of ID liquors in his motorcycle. That motorcycle was seized.
When was it seized? When was the motorcycle seized?
Motorcycle was seized and just 2023.
18,523.
18,500.
What is the reason for rejecting?
As because it is involved in excise case, it is mentioned there.
Confiscation
7
proceedings have been initiated. He is not the owner of the vehicle. So now he is to appear before the authority concerned and satisfy that he had no nexus with the crime that has been committed. Now he has to approach that authority under 71(5).
7.2 it is.
So why don't you approach before the confiscation proceedings authority?
No, 450.
The authority which is conducting the confiscation proceedings, and that is case number 34 of 2023.
No, because once I will appear there, my lord, they will confiscate the vehicle. There are a number of cases.
I am only saying that
My lord,
remedy is statutory.
there are number of cases. my lord.
7.5.
Yes, I have also brought that. But a number of cases are there before my lordship.
71 subsection 5.
No such notice has been issued, my lord.
This is what ଆପଣ admit କରୁଛନ୍ତି brief ରେ.
See, issue करना था. See, confession करचन court लिखा है.
Notice has been issued. He has admitted that notice has been issued. He has received notice. That is also there.
That was the seized on when was it seized?
Seized on.
No, I have not received it, my lord.
Seized on 18/5/23.
Season 18.5.
He appears before the confession as per section
71.
71 7. Record code. The petitioner record code. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to approach before the competent authority where the confiscation proceeding under section confiscation proceeding case number 34 2023-24 is underway, and the authority, if satisfied, may release the vehicle as per law.
It is already appeared in 23/6/23.
No,
This is petition. Upon the petition, right?
No.
Once appeared, upon करतले sir.
Nahi थे लक्ष्मी.
Page 7 of the petition, my lord, kindly see paragraph.
It has been mentioned there. I have not. I have
ठीक है, that's fine. करतले. Let him appear.
My lord.
Public.
68.
Release with appropriate security କିଛି ଫଣ୍ଡ ଇଏ କରିକି ମାନେ କିଛି ପଇସା ଆପଣ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲା ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ କରିଦେବେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Your lordship, within 2 days I will remove the defect. Your lordship maybe next week.
defect 69
68.
68.
and council petitioner 3 days time to remove the defects, list the matter 10th. 10th. Next
69.
69. 69.
My daughter, there is two defects. There is defects. Defect touch data.
Defect.
Right.
That council petitioner is granted 1 week time to cure the defects.
Right.
List the matter on 17.
Right.
Next.
Authorized.
Item 70.
70.
Time for removal of defect. Your
Okay, 2 weeks time granted for removal of defects.
Your lordship, short
The,
that.
the matter may be listed after removal of defects. Done. Next.
Item 71. Correction of date times. Correction of 23 there, 23.
Correction of I number to the correction. Next.
Item 72.
72.
Right, your lordship.
A case ର କିଛି ଅଛି ଆଉ future
Discharged from service,
Okay.
disciplinary proceeding.
ଆଉ କିଛି ଗଲା ଖତମ
ମରିଗଲାଣି, substitute ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର wife ଆଉ ପିଲା।
ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି କେସ୍ ରେ
ଅଛି ଦିଟା point ଅଛି, I will urge some short action.
କଣ ଆଚ୍ଛା urgent
One is
ठीक
denial of opportunity.
Monday ଆସ Monday night ହଁ Monday ଆସ 8 next
73.
73
My lord, on behalf of Secretary Pradhan, pass over, my lord.
Pass over.
Pass over.
Oh. 74.
74.
74.
74. My lord, during pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner has already retired.
Retired.
And by virtue of interim order, he was allowed to continue. And in the meantime, on attending superannuation, he has retired.
Nothing is there.
And so far as the service benefit is concerned, similar situated employees, those who have been allowed by virtue of interim order, they have been allowed the service benefit. এটা ହେଲା ପରେ ସେମାନେ ପାଇଛି।
Similar fact সেটা
Other nine.
আଜ୍ଞା,
There is
ଏଇଥିରେ।
এই ଲୋକର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଇଏ କରିଛି?
16 years.
ଏଇଟାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ନା ଏଥିରେ ତମର ପେନ୍ସିଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅ। ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର ତ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ କଣ ଏ ଲୋକର ଏଜ ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ
ହଁ,
ଇଲାପସ ପେନ୍ସିଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦିଅ। ଏখানে ডিসপোজ করে দাও সেটা দিয়ে দিবে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দিলা ডিসপোজ করে দিচ্ছি। নেক্সট
75.
75 75 non APS this matter on 5th 76
76.
On old service matter, my lords, earlier Mr. Mishra was conducting but passed away, my lords. With much difficulty, we got the file. We prepared the note and all these things. My lords, put up next to any date, my lords, can be taken up for final
No.
hearing.
9th
9th will be all right.
9th this matter 9th next
77.
77 77 yeah
Pass over.
pass over 78
78.
My lord, in view of the notification, the matter will transferred to the CAT for adjudication.
cat
Ma'am.
କଣ ପାଇଁ
In view of the
ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ବୁଲେଇବେ 2004 ରୁ ଆଇଲେ ପୁଣି cat
No, my lord,
cat ରେ 10 ବର୍ଷ
government of notified
ହଁ
that steel authority service matter will go to the CAT for
I know
adjudication.
that I know it has to go to cat
The matter has not listed. I am for the opposite party.
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ପଡିଲା ପରେ ପୁଣି cat କୁ ଯିବେ
77 TA number transfer ହେଇକି ପୁଣି notice ଯିବ ତାପରେ
କାଇଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି
କହିଦେବି ଟିକେ permission.
ପେଟିସନ ତ ନାହିଁ ଆସ ଦେଖିବ ପେଟିସନ ଆସ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର କରିଦେଇଛି ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
79.
79
79.
79
29 for the opposite party, NPCC, National Project Construction Corporation. Earlier, my lord, the petitioner died. Thereafter, I think substitution petition have been filed probably.
failed somebody has appeared
I think
କିଏ appear କରିଛି ଦିଲ ହେଲାନି କିଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି
earlier, my lords, yes, my lords, I think the Lord is na? Okay, lawyer did not.
ହଁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତ
Yes,
ସବସିଡି ହେଇଯାଇଛି
the conducted counsel.
ଲର କି
Earlier, my lords, Justice Vishwanath Rathu, while advocate then was appearing. Then, my lords,
I know he has a very checkered history. Okay, the non-APS for the petitioner. In the interest of justice, 1 week time may be granted. Wow. No, granted, unless the matter on like that. 16. Next.
Item 80.
80. Pass over. You know anything about the matter? Who are you? Opposite party. You don't have file. You can do pass over file. Are you very busy?
My lord, it's in another court.
What is your name?
Senior, yes, fine.
You should have gone through the file. Whenever the matter is listed in any court, you have to, as a junior, you have to go through the file. You must go through the file, sir. खाली एमती आसिक 500 टका ले जिवो फाइल पड़ी रहबे ना हौ दुईटा वाला नेक्स्ट 80 80 से ना
83
81
81
non appears 5th लगा दे 5th January 82
82
82
because under
withdraw.
the opposite parties, the petition become infructuous.
infraction the state
My lord also
submit
pray.
become infraction
My lords also pray one thing. It's the same person had earlier filed another writ petition.
I am not going to all these infractions
Contempt pending. So that contempt will be listed and disposed of. It's infructuous.
তাহলে একা সঙ্গে আসতে তাহলে let the contempt
This is a separate writ petition. 82 is a separate writ petition. I am mentioning because the same person had filed an earlier writ petition which has already been disposed of. Out
तो
of
खाली से contempt काली आसु कोन
Again.
अलगा मैटर लागिछि ना एतरे नहीं
again, the separate.
अब तो से नंबर दे दे
Again, COTC number 448
हां नेक्स्ट
of 2004.
83
83
83 non appears 5th 84
84
my lord, disciplinary proceeding matter, removal from service, some short adjournment preparedness.
anything remains
Yes, removal from service.
okay 18 years next okay after that like
there is a appeal provision before the state legal service authority against a decision of the state district legal service authority man. ତେଣୁ I may permit to withdraw.
ଆପଣ ସେତେବେଳେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଜାଗି ନଥିଲା ଏବେ ବଦବକ ହେଇ ବାହାରିଗଲା कुछ तो गड़बड़ है सडनली आपण जाई विथड्रॉ कर दिस समथिंग इज रॉन्ग ओके गुड ग्रांट से ये कला वाला से सब टिके आगो पछे भाभी के करिवे ना जदी थिला वाला काहे क्लाइंट गुडे अनसे ताको हरान करले से मूलर करथांते से सिटी जाई कहथांते victim रा डेफिनेशन कोन आगो तापरे छाडीबी ना छाडीबी
Milo.
now tell me the definition of victim
Milo.
who is a victim
36 Milo. Victim means a person who himself or herself suffered loss or injury as a result of crime, including mob violence and lynching, and he requires rehabilitation. And in case of his or her death, also his or her dependents.
lynching माने कोन
लिंचिंग माइन में निजे जो क्राइम टा करथो आईनी न निजे जो क्राइम टा
आथर कहले लिंचिंग माने निजे जो क्राइम टा करथु
निजे मीन्स माने से आईनी की न करी निजे जोटा तार रिवेंज नै थो जोटा
एटा माने आपण निजे उद्भावन करी कहले ना डिक्शनरी मीनिंग रे कहले लिंचिंग देखले डिक्शनरी मीनिंग खोलले मोबाइल खोलंतु LYNCHING खोलंतु कोन लिखा छी मोबाइल को यही पर्पस रे बेसी यूज करंतु फायदा हबो LYNCHING कोन मीनिंग
मु माने मो ओडिया देखथिले एटा आईनी बा अदालत
आपण आपण मु जोडा कहूजी से कहू जो कोन लिखा छी पढंतु लाउडली पढंतु
आईनी बा अदालत रा आश्रय न नै निज विचार रे प्राणदंड बा हिसाब
ओरे को एटा कोउदर पढुछन आपण
ई ओडिया डिक्शनरी जोटा
नाही मो लिंचिंग रो इंग्लिश मीनिंग खोजंतु गूगल रे खोजंतु ये कोड आनी कोड को वाड कोन ओडिया रे प्लीज से ओडिया जे लिखि दियो से बुझितिबो कि डाउट हां बहुत ओडिया मीनिंग एंती पूरा एते एंती बाजे मीनिंग अछि म ट्रांसलेशन कला वाले सबले मते डाकंती आज्ञा एटा ए मीनिंग कोन एते बाजे मीनिंग गुडा देइछंती से लोक जे लिखि जे दिस से जानिनी आमे सब चेंज करछु we are publishing a Odia English to Odia dictionary very shortly High Court of Orissa will publish it
one of a group of people from one
eta hoje right
for an alleged offense without a legal trial especially by hanging
adre padle जोर से
a group of people kill someone for an alleged offense without a legal trial, especially by hanging.
ତ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କହୁଥିଲେ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେମ୍ ମିନିଂ ଏଟା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କାହିଁ ଏପଟେ ପଢିବେ ଏଟା ପଢିବେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ବେଶୀ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ମିନିଂ ରାଇଟ୍ ମିନିଂ ଦେଖିବେ ନା ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପଢିଲେ ଏମିତି ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ମିନିଂ ପାଇବେ କାରଣ ଯିଏ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛି ସେ ଲୋକ ଯେ ବୁଝିନି ଆଉ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ବୁଝେ ବସି ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 9. This restriction has been filed, my lords, challenging the award passed by the learned PLA, which is under annexure 8, my lords, wherein the learned ombudsman has directed the present petitioner to pay rupees 5,81,000, my lords, somehow. The fact of the case is that, my lords, that the opposite party number.
You are for the
I'm for
insurance.
the insurance company.
Okay.
Here the opposite party number 2, who is the owner of the Tata Tiago, my lords, was returning from Murshidabad to Orissa. On the way, the said vehicle met with an accident and was damaged. My lords. And accordingly, one claim was lost with the insurance company, and the her claim was registered and surveyor was deputed.
Surveyor kitna how much he fixed the amount?
The surveyor assessed the loss. That is under annexure 3, my lord.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ
Page 21.
କେତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
3,58,000.
3 lakh
3,58,000.
तो ये कोर्ट पीएलए कहला 5,81,000
5,81,000.
with 6% interest. Okay, interest में छाड़ देले फिर 5,81,000 दे दो खत्म आओ एते के लंबा जोड़ा जोड़िया इंटरेस्ट काटी दोची आपण 5,81,000 दे दो केते 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 मासर इंटरेस्ट
Interest which, my lords, the accident is of the year 2021, my lords.
21
2020, my lords.
2020
Yes, my lords.
आओ बेटा तारो जो पेमेंट के होला
Payment है
है नहीं माने अब
award
अवार्ड के सॉरी
award. The award passed, my lords, on 7th December 2020.
22 और इंटरेस्ट परसेंट काट दो
Notice
इंटरेस्ट काट दो बाकी दे दो 5,81,000 दे दो 5,81,400
Clear, my lords, my
आओ
surveyor.
समरी डिस्पोजल
Yes.
ଆଉ କେତେ ଇଏ କରୁଥିବେ
Notice ଟା ଯାଉ
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ନୋଟିସ୍ କେତେ ଆପଣ ସେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଲୋଡ୍ କରିଦେବି ତାପରେ
notice ଟା ଯାଉ
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି नो ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ appearance 2-4ଟା ହବ ସେଟା ଅଲଗା କଥା ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି ଓକେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର କାହାକୁ ଯିବ ଏଟା
opposite party number
1
opposite party number 2, my lords.
2 sorry 2 issue notice to
Opposite party number 2, 3, 4, my lords.
3 4 kahin
They are also party before the learned.
okay 3 4 ठीक है
2 to 4.
register copy with register code from 3 working days from today
Another mistake, IFR stay is there because the execution proceeding has already been initiated.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ସବୁ ଇଜି କାମ ଆପଣ କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ସେ ଷ୍ଟେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ସବୁ କାହିଁ କରିବେ ଓକେ ଆଇଏସ୍ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ଷ୍ଟେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ release the matter on 2nd February
Well, requisite within 7 days.
3 days
3 work.
next
Item 32.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଲୋଡ କଲା କହିବେନି ହେଲା ଆଜି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅପସନ ଥିଲା ଓଟିଏସ୍ ଥିଲା ଆଜି ଆପଣ ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ମାନିଲେନି ସେତେବେଳେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବି ଲୋଡ କରିବି କହିଦଉଛି ଆଗରୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବି ଦେବେ ପୁରା ଏଟାକୁ କନଫର୍ମ କରିଦେବି ପୁରା ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Made please stand on this similar.
Yes.
The insurer is the petitioner against order dated 32, sir. The insurer is the petitioner against the order dated 18th October 2023 of NCDRC refusing to condone the delay of 82 days in filing the appeal and consequently dismissed my appeal also. The
NCDRC
Sir,
NCDRC dismiss कला हाई कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट बोले नहीं
no, law says no.
What law says? Which law
Yes.
says, sir?
Yes.
Don't say law.
section 67 of
हाँ
the
कौची
Consumer Protection Act.
पढ़न्तु
Law says appeal only lies to the Supreme Court only against the dismissal of the complaint which was directly filed before the National Commission. Section
बुझा पड़लानी सर बुझा पड़लानी आउथरे क्लारिफाई करंतु
Section 67 says,
पढ़न्तु
yes, I'm placing any person aggrieved by an order made by the National Commission in exercise of its power conferred by subclause 1 or 2 of clause A of subsection 1 of section
आपण 62 पढुचंदी
67 sir
67
sir 67
हाँ appeal against the order of National Commission कोडी लगाई जी देखंतु
any person aggrieved by an order made by National Commission in exercise of its power conferred by subclause 1 or 2 of clause A of subsection 1 of section 58 may prefer an appeal against such order to the Supreme Court within a period of so and so.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉ पर कोन असुदाला आ लॉ तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जीवा पे कहछि आ
No sir, section 58
आ कोन नो आपण यस कोन कोंतु मते
I draw my lord's kind attention to section 58.
किछि अटेंशन नाही मते एटा बुझांतु कोन कोड लखाय जे सुप्रीम कोर्ट छडा आ कोर्ट की जीवा पे लखाय जे बता
Yes, section 58 sir, section
58 रे कोन लखाय जी
section 58
पढंतु
section 58 subject to other provisions of this act, the National Commission shall have jurisdiction to entertain a complaint where the value of goods or
सर ये नेशनल कमिशन आपण काय पढुछन नेशनल कमिशन आपण कोन पाइबे आपण नेशनल कमिशन अगेंस्ट जाउछन पुरा
sir, I am not clear perhaps. So
सर सुनंतु आपण क्लियर अछन मु भी क्लियर आपण भी जानि छथि आपण कोन कहउछन मु भी जानि छी आपण भूलभाल कहि मते
No sir, I am not telling perhaps I am
Yes,
not
you
able
are.
to convince. Unless
सर 51 नेशनल कमिशन कोटा एंटरटेन करिवो न करिवो देछि नेशनल कमिशन अगेंस्ट ऑर्डर कोटी की जीवे 68
I may kindly be permitted to place my case
Yes.
when order is made by the National Commission under subclause 1 and 2, then appeal lies to Supreme Court. But here is the order under subclause 3, that is appeal against order of the State Commission. Kindly, I am my contention is fortified by the recent judgment of the Honorable Apex Court. My associate is Dayar Miller. The judgment dated 13th May 2020.
मते से ऑर्डर दिखांदु
Sir. It is that judgment in the in civil appeal number 3072.
एटा मो 30 तर पढि सारि
Sir. So this is the National Commission order was against the State Commission's order, that is appeal, dismissing my appeal. So no appeal lies to the Supreme Court. केवल सर जो कंप्लेंट डायरेक्ट फाइल है नेशनल कमिशन रे ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट appeal lies to the Supreme Court. Sir, last paragraph, para 16 sir, para 16 of the judgment, last paragraph तो लंबा जजमेंट अच्छी बहुत कथा डिस्कशन करचंदी. Para 16, in view of the above discussion and for reasons stated above and subject to observations made herein, it cannot be said that writ petition under article.
सर प्लीज कथा होंतुनी काहे की कथा डिस्टर्ब करछन कहउछन आपण एते बीसी रे कहउछन आपण कथा बारे कथा होंतु मु केतर कहबी कोर्ट इज नॉट ए प्लेस फॉर कन्वर्सेशन गो आउटसाइड.
Yes, again I am placing in view of the above discussion and for reasons stated above and subject to observation made herein above, it cannot be said that writ petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India before the concerned High Court against the order passed by the National Commission in an appeal under Section 58(1)(a)(3) of 2019 Act was not maintainable. We are in complete agreement with the view taken by the High Court. In this case, the concerned High Court entertained the writ application filed under Section 227, and that order was challenged before the Honorable Supreme Court. In that context, this Honorable Apex Court has said, since it is an order under 58 subsection 3. 58 subsection 3 says appeal appeal against the order of State Commission. That this provision has been excluded in section 67. 67 is confined to subclause 1 and subclause 2. Subclause 3 and 4 has been excluded under section 67. So this decision is directly on the point. Previously, my your lordship was questioning in another matter. I was listening. Had it been a revision, then matter would have been different. This is an appeal against the State Commission, and my appeal has been dismissed on the ground of limitation of only 82
Can you
days.
give me another judgment by Justice Padiwala very recently? Very, I think 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Sir, I have not come across. Let notice
You have got the
this.
decision. Also give me that Justice Padiwala's decision. The similar issue. Upon the decision, Anandu.
Sir, let the notice be issued. In the meantime, I will collect.
No,
that
I'm not going to. Unless I am satisfied, I can't.
Sir, Padiwala.
I am not satisfied with this judgment.
Padiwala, sir, reference
Reference खोजिबे आपण काम छडा ना लॉयर खोजिबे नि हम खोजि देना आपण जूनियर को लगान तो खोजंतु गूगल माइले पळे आसीबो 2 मिनिट रे आपण रेफरेंस को मैं देइबी
नहीं सर पार्टी नाटा सुनले गूगल रे मिली जीवो
हां पार्टी ना किसी दरकार नै जस्टिस पार्टी वाला रिसेंटली ऑन दिस अपील फॉर वाला आसीजो
तब सर आसो 2 वीक्स पर आई एम ट्राइंग
नहीं 2 वीक्स नहीं एबे संग संग आसीबो ना मंडे रे दोछ ट्यूसडे
सर टेक
9th रे
सर नेक्स्ट वीक हला
आओ नेक्स्ट वीक 9th नेक्स्ट वीक हला नहीं
सर
हां 9th नेक्स्ट वीक पर अब आनु तो जजमेंट आउट आनु तो
is that judgment is against this judgment
आपण आनंद ना फास्ट देखिए आपण पढ़ी के आसंतु आपण पूरा पढ़ी के आसंतु
ना एटे सर लॉ तो कहूची से
लॉ कोटा कहला म लॉ एटा लॉ ना ए रेड बुक लॉ की ए कागज लॉ
नो रेड बुक लॉ सर
हां रेड बुक लॉ ना रेड बुक लॉ से मुझे भी ना कागज रे जीवी सुप्रीम कोर्ट केते कोन गपुची व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्टिकल 226 and article 227
227 is a superintending power of the inferior court, I mean the subordinate courts.
Okay.
And here, in this case, the Honorable Apex Court has held that National Commission is a tribunal. Is a tribunal. That
obviously tribunal.
Yes,
Nobody is disputing that.
So that is superintending power. So I have invoked my lord's power that.
Which High Court has the superintendent over the tribunal? National Commission over High Court of Superintendent power আছে ঠিক আছে but সেই আপন এই যে একটা স্কিম সেটা কওনি
স্যার সেথিরে স্যার কହୁଛନ୍ତି
সুপ্রিম কোর্ট को रखिছি से
স্যার সেথিরে কହୁଛନ୍ତି যে ডাইরেক্ট 136
সুপ্রিম কোর্ট দেখନ୍ତୁ গোটে অপিল ବି যাইପାରିବ ডাইরেক্ট অপিল ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର SLP ফাইল କରିବେ ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟା ଭିତରୁ ଯୋଡା ଯିବେ ଆଉ ଇଏ କୋଉଠି କହିଲା ଇଏ
ସ୍যাର
statute କହିନି statute
sir
କହିନି
with respect I will say
okay you get some more judgment I am not satisfied with this we'll see on the Tuesday next item
item 38
मैं प्लीज सर
आपण satisfy करंतु I will open the floodgate don't worry I have no reservation okay next yes
kindly have a glance page 22 man annexer 4 page 22
कौन केस ता कहंतु पाइंड ग्लैंड सीधा पळेबे ए कोन हाई जंप लॉन्ग जंप खेलुची सीधा कहबे कौन केस ता कहंतु अब
the petitioner have a loan with a vehicle loan and the vehicle loan was NPA on NPA हेतला 30/10/2020 30/10/2020 रे
तापर आपण किछि पैसा किछि देना
तापर जो पैसा देइछो ताको सब इंटरेस्ट बाबद काटि देइछो
माने आपण केते पैसा देछन
तापर गोटे 30,000 गोटे 20,000 आ सब इंटरेस्ट बाबद कटि गला परे से फाइनल देइछंती
आपण गोटे काम करन आपण सॉल्यूशन बाहर आपण पहुंची गलेनी 2000 केते 22 कहले
नहीं 20 रे
20 ରୁ 23 हेलानी 3 वर्ष हेलानी आपण किछि देई नांती एबे गोटे काम करन केते आपण केते अमाउंट बाहर कोडी पहुंच जाइथिबो केते एबे अछि सर
नहीं लास्ट के दिन देछन
I will take instruction just like
let him take instruction आ वन आपण गोटे अमाउंट केते हला कहंतु तबर देखिया I try to solve here solve here only unnecessary काई से 5 लाख 7 लाख रे आपण जाउथि DRT VRT जाई कि हला आपण अमाउंट कहि दियंतु ଆପଣ instruction ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାକୁ 2-3ଟା installment କରିକି କରିବା OTS
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେ ସବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
OTS ରେ କିଛି ସେମାନେ କହିବେ OTS ରେ ଆମର floating ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ନାହିଁ କହିବେ ଆପଣ straight କହିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ solve କରିଦେବି ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା
still that no course
till then no course
no course sir
okay till then no course election till very short date
ଆଜ୍ଞା
till Tuesday till next date list matter 9 till the next date of listing of the case no course action hala next
Item 41.
41 सीधा आरबीआई को पार्टी बारे सीधा आरबीआई आउ किसी छोटे मोटे बैंक नहीं सीधा आरबीआई को पार्टी बने हां
My lord, the petitioner challenging the illegal seizure of the vehicle, my lord.
इलीगल केंदी हला सर पैसा देबे नहीं सीज करी इलीगल होला कोड सब लीगल किछि इलीगल नहीं बैंक को पैसा नेबे आ सुझिबे नहीं तार कहला इलीगल
Well, I am ready, my lord,
Huh?
to dispose the.
you are a
I am ready, my lord,
you are
to
ready
pay the my lord 50% due amount, my lord.
केते अमाउंट अछि आपन
Total, my lord,
केते अमाउंट अछि
13,05,000.
से को जदी व्हीकल बिक्री से लेनी कि कोन करियो आपन देलेनी बिक्री देले छने
My lord, during the pendency of the read petition, my lord, I have informed, my lord.
रिट पिटिशन कोन आपन सेव करिवो स्टे तो नथिला ना हां पेंडेंसी कह देले हिजो आपन फाइल कर देबे तार आगे हमर पेंडेंसी अछि त आ किछि करबी नि माने स्टे लागि थि स्टे तो लागि नि तो बिना स्टे रे
Case उठी नथला, my lord. Case उठी नथला, my lord.
तार आपन ई रिट पिटिशन करिया माने किछि नहे दे आर फ्री टू सेल इट दे आर फ्री टू डू आपन पैसा न देले कोन करियो छन आपन स्टे लागि था हां स्टे थिला माने बिकी देले स्टे तो नथिला बिकी देबे आपन बिकी साइलेंट कोन कराइयो केते लोन थिला अमाउंट
13,05,000.
4,05,000 गाड़ी
13,05,000.
13,05,000 गाड़ी को गाड़ी ट्रक था को ट्रक सर आपन तो जानथिबे ना आपन तो लोनी परा
टाटा मोटर सेटा 1208 जोटा
बड़ ट्रक केते टका ता ई प्राइस परा नोडा किनला केते पड़िबे तर लोन केते नैथिले टोटल तर लोन केते नैथिले
My lord.
नहीं किसी खबर नहीं कौन अपन बुझले कोर्ट को माने मकरी कर देले
दीटा ट्रक पे नैथिले
आपन लोन केते नैथिले केते कोर्ट ट्रक ने
54 लाख सम ऑर्डर थिला गोटे ट्रक रिपोजिशन कराई दिखाई छै रिपोजिशन कराई
गोटे बाकी अछि
से गोटे पई आछन
से जोटा अछि बाकी
ना ना जोटा सेल
सेल कोन करियो सेल गेला आपन लोन आ केते पेंडिंग अछि ताकर
मु आनी बे 10 देले तो प्रॉफिट
let him take instruction hala and the bank Mr. Vishwal to take instruction regarding the status of the loan है ना certify कर देना list the matter on Tuesday अब तो डिटेल पता करे आसन तो अपना क्लाइंट संग कथा होते नहीं कौन हला केबे लोन ले केते आउटस्टैंडिंग अछि केबे टू एनपीए हला एति की तो खबर नेबे एति की नाला बैंक केस करबे एति जानिबे नि
आई विल टेक इट
बैंक केस कले माने एति की निश्चय जानिबे एति की इंफॉर्मेशन फर्स्ट केबे लोन नेले केते लोन नेले केबे एनपीए हला केते आउटस्टैंडिंग अछि एति की इंफॉर्मेशन धरि के आसे जे भी बैंक केस करथु नाले बैंक केस करबे नि सब बेले से कथा कहू के सुनांती these are the basic information without knowing this how to decide the case next
Item 73.
73
Achha, in this matter, I am challenging the order of dismissal, which has been subsequently confirmed in the appeal and the revision, my lord. The petitioner was working as a lance nag in the CRPF under OP number 1.
Okay. 2002 ର case
My lord.
ଏବେ କଣ ଏଦାର କିଛି ଅଛି
59 ହେଇଛି
any juice is left in this case
my lord ଏଟା ବହୁତ ଭୁଲ ଭାବରେ ତାକୁ ଇଏ dismiss କରିଛନ୍ତି which is the punishment that has been imposed is of dismissal, your lordship, and as can be my lord the charge is that the petitioner allegedly stole 3 rounds of 3 magazines and 60 rounds of SLR from 2 constables, your lordship. in order to meet in order to know, your lordship, in order to meet the deficiency in the court where the arms and ammunition are kept. But in the finding, if your lordship will see, they have in the appellate order, they have said that there was no deficiency in the court. So which itself is contrary to the charge that has been framed against the petitioner. Your lordship may kindly see page 15.
What is the findings of that the inquiry?
My lord.
See the finding?
Lordship, charged page 27 charged achi.
27.
15, my lord. Page 15.
देखिए Article 1 that this said Behra
that the said so and so A.M. Behra of Equai 83 Battalion CRPF has committed an act of misconduct in his capacity as a member of the force under section 11(1) of CRPF Act 1949. In that, he lifted 2 SLR magazine and 40 rounds of SLR in respect of Constable Jaspal and 1 SLR magazine and 20 rounds of SLR in respect of Constable Lakshman.
Why did you leave that?
My lord?
Why did you take that?
I did not take that, your lordship. That is my specific stand in the.
But why did the allegation?
I was compelled to admit, my lord.
Why?
Under coercion, I admitted this.
Okay.
This said fact also been in the appeal petition also.
That's fine. But whether you are compelled or you have done on your own,
my lord.
Can I have do I have any kind of mechanism to know that?
No, my lord. But this said ground I have very well raised before the appellate authority, your lordship. But the appellate authorities have not even dealt with that. Your lordship may kindly see the finding as well of the appellate authority.
How shall I go to this, sir? This is a factual thing.
Your lordship,
can you produce some document which will say that no, you are under compulsion, you have done it?
Your lordship, in a closed room, if I am compelled to do so,
then
command.
That is the problem now. How do I know whether you are compelled or you have done it on your own?
My lord, this stand has been taken by me before the appellate.
You may be right. I don't say no.
My lord.
But what is the mechanism to know that what you are saying is right?
In either case, at least the appellate authority could have conducted any inquiry for that. Whether there was any question or not.
Can appellate authority do that? Inquiry?
When I have made a serious allegation regarding the coercion,
just
the
serious allegation is sufficient without substantive.
In fact, the finding of the appellate authority, that is also.
You have seen, you have given.
Coercion document.
That is what the problem. Even the appellate authority could not have gone into that because you have since saying is not sufficient. If any document to that effect is there, okay, which is convincing, then the appellate authority should have done something.
Certainly, my lord.
Nothing is done. Simply you are saying under coercion, but under coercion, how? What is the point?
Your lordship,
that will just certify that okay, this is a what you call the something done under compulsion. That is the problem.
But my lord, as can be ascertained from the charge. The charge is
also how
in order to meet the deficiency, I stole this magazine and.
How do you know that deficiency? You may be right. I'm not saying no, but deficiency thila ki apana chori karthile seta kemti jana padibo.
But my lord, say jinsota jitale appellate authority jo order pass korchanti, appeal jo order pass heichi, say that my lord may come to that. Page 48.
Page 48. Yes. Yes, please.
Para 4. It is established in the inquiry that he had committed a misconduct by taking out 3 SLR magazine and 60 rounds from other COI personnel without their knowledge, which amounts to theft. He further threw out 60 rounds into the latent tent, and the same would have become surplus if continued to be kept in the court, as there was no deficiency of ammunition noticed. Charge semane kouchanti ki deficiency ko meet
kare. Said because there is a deficiency in the code, that's why I took there. Now you are saying
the charge is with regard to
there is no deficiency.
Exactly, my lord. Charge kouchanti mo.
Contradicting two things you are saying, sir.
My lord, charge.
On the one hand, you are saying Because there was deficiency of the arms and ammunition in the court, that's why I lifted.
No, my
From there
this
to
is not my admission, Your Lordship. This is the charge.
Huh?
It a charge the same. No charge. पर जो देइचंती जो फाइंडिंग देइचंती सेन कोचंती कि किछि डेफिशिएंसी नथला उल्टा सरप्लस थला जदि सेटा रखा हितंदा कोर्ट सेटा सरप्लस हि थांदा
ताले चोरी करछन ताले आपण
लॉर्डशिप
सेटा गला कोड ताले
सेठी चार्ज रे कहले डेफिशिएंसी को मीट करे पे मो एटा
कोन आपन पाखरे किछि डॉक्यूमेंट अछि किछि नै खाली आपण
फाइंडिंग एटा लॉर्डशिप निजो फाइंडिंग ऑफ द एपेलेट अथॉरिटी
कोन फाइंडिंग करछि
लॉर्डशिप मो नारे चार्ज फ्रेम करले मो चोरी करी कि
कहले चोरी करछि बोले कहले आपण कहले नै मो डेफिशिएंसी तिला बोले नै
सेही चार्ज लिखछन दी लॉर्डशिप
हां
चार्ज लिखिछन इन ऑर्डर टू मीट द डेफिशिएंसी इन द कोर्ट
हां
कोर्ट रे डेफिशिएंसी को मीट करे पे मो चोरी करली
हां
बट एतले फाइंडिंग दिला
चोरी कहीं कहले आपण अथॉरिटी को जणेले इन ताले
दैट इज माय स्पेसिफिक स्टैंड आई हैव नॉट कमिटेड
व्हाई डिड यू इन्फॉर्म द अथॉरिटी सर if
my lord I have
suppose you are taking something from there to another place, is it not your duty to inform your higher authority?
Upon disclosure of this ammunition from in the court, I in fact I have informed the authority regarding this.
Your stand seems to be in cloud, sir. It's not clear. It's not clear. Show me one thing.
Lordship, may kindly
no.
At the cost of repetition, my lordship may kindly see the charge again.
I've seen that, sir. I've already seen that.
Charge रे कोचनी मो deficiency meet करिया पे मु चोरी करली.
See one thing, see. I am here to say that, okay, this is the charges and this is what I have not done. But for that you must have substances from document in the before the inquiry committee, which you have not done it. Then
and your lordship may kindly see.
How can the appellate court and the appellate authority and this court will help you? Tell me.
Your lordship, in my appeal petition, I have raised all the grounds which has been
raised, sir, but those grounds have not been taken.
I have raised that, your lordship. That has also been recorded in the order of the appellate authority.
With the ground.
They have not dealt with it. Not dealt with it. Your lordship may kindly see page 47.
Hava re kichi bhi
my lord, record it's on record, your lordship.
All hava.
Page 47, my lord.
47 ko mo achi 47 48 47 achi.
Just the one.
Yeah.
Page 47 from 1 to 13 they record all my stands.
The appellant had pleaded guilty to the charges during preliminary examination as well as his defense submission, reply to EO's reports, etc. You have pleaded guilty, sir.
Your lordship may kindly see pistol number 7. They have also taken note of that. I was compelled to admit the charges by the commandant, but thereafter no finding has been given with regard to that.
That is your submission, sir. This is your submission.
But at least being an appellate authority, he has to
do this. This is your submission.
Your lordship, being an appellate authority, it is his duty to at least deal with the grounds that I have taken. He has nowhere dealt with it. This is a fit case which can be remitted back to the appellate authority for reconsideration.
59 years. मोर मुंड खराब कुछ भी बोल देते हो 2002 रे केस रेमिट करबी से लोक के जिंदा अछि तो
My lord, yes.
Okay. Still in job?
No, my lord. He's out of job. Since 2000.
के थिबो सेदा को डॉक्यूमेंट कोड दे एबे 2002 रे मैं रेमिट करबी से डॉक्यूमेंट थिबो कि डाउट नथिंग इन डू सॉरी
As a lordship please.
You tried your best, but at least smile sometimes.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Thank you. Next. What is your good name? What is your name?
My lord, Shakti Shekhar. Shakti Shekhar.
Shekhar.
My lord.
Next.
Item number 77.
Submission. There is a lot. Kindly take up next week because I did instruction. Yesterday I was trying to contact a very old case with regard to deprivation of seniority and consequential next higher post. I pray only maybe take it up.
This person is retired now?
No, still in service.
Still service.
But he could not provide the total information. Only 1 week time. Next
Can I fix it on 17?
17.
Next.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item
78?
number 80.
Oh, sorry, 80. 80? 80?
I am not the opposite party.
Which for the petitioner?
He might have retired several times.
Yeah.
When we had filed in the case,
2000.
2005, it was 33 years. Now
I had
it is
dismissed
more
it.
than 6 years.
Non-appears for the petitioner. This is the matter pertaining to 2005. On various occasions, the matter has been listed. I got a chance. So, in the interest of justice, one chance may be given. This is the matter on fifth. Fifth. Third दिया जाओ.
Item number 85.
85. 85. 9. Abhishek. In it one chance may be granted to the petitioner. List the matter on fifth. Fifth lage the sab. You're 9th and 5th lage.
Item 86.
86. Nadi. Same. In the interest of this one chance may be granted to the petitioner. Though the petitioner the matter pertaining to the year 2008 in the interest of a chance may be granted to the petitioner. Accordingly, list the matter on fifth. Next.
Item 87.
87.
Sir, today I got instruction that the petition is expired.
Okay. You want to file the?
I filed the subscription.
Okay, land council petitioner submit that since the petitioner has expired in the meantime, he seeks 1 week time to file the
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file this substitution application. List the matter on 6th February. Next.
Item 88.
88. Land council for the petitioner submits that the matter is since the matter is in substance. Which is also confirmed by the land council state. No, state of service. ठीक है. Next.
Item 89.
89.
So the matter become infructuous.
Also, interest. What is your name?
Basmati Pradhan, B Pradhan.
Basmati Pradhan. You should take advantage of your name with their appearance. Okay. Basmati Pradhan submits that the matter has become infructuous. Dispose of. Next.
Item number 90.
90. 90. Non-appears. List the matter on. In the interest of justice, let the matter be listed on 5th. Next.
91.
91. One chance, let's give one chance. Okay, this is 5th level that way. In the interest of justice, one chance. No, 5th. This is for সেদিনে নয় এলাম ডিসমিস করে দিয়েছিলাম ডিসমিস ফর নন প্রসিডিংস গোটে চান্স তো দেবি দেখুন ভাই নহলে এই 2008 5 6 3 ম্যাটার রখিকি লাভ কোন ছোট নেক্সট
Item 92.
92
I am for the opposite party bank, my lord. This is a disciplinary proceeding matter. Counter has already
non-appears
been
for the
filed.
petitioner and counsel of the bank is present through VC. In the interest of justice, a chance may be granted to the petitioner. Just the matter on 5th. Next.
Item 93.
93.
93 also, I pray for 1 week time. We have not taken any instruction from client.
Land counsel for the petitioner. 6 1 week time to take instruction from the client, from the petitioner. Accordingly, just the matter on 22nd. Next.
94.
94. 94, you have for? Non-appears for the petitioner. In the interest of justice, 1 week, a chance may be granted to the petitioner. List the matter 5th. You're present.
95.
State. Yeah, for the state.
My lord, I am for the open panel 5.
Open number 5. Okay, open number 5, Mr. Das. So you want some other day? Okay, list the matter on 12, 12? 12 pass. Next. Okay, you have received the counter. You are for the opposite party?
Petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petition. Land council for the opposite party number? You are for opposite party number? Good, single. Opposite party and so the counter affidavit to the council for the petitioner. Want to file some agenda?
I have to verify. I have to verify, my lord.
Verify time. If there is any agenda, he can file within 1 week thereafter. This is 25th just. Hello. Next.
96.
96.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
96.
Yeah, please, your lordship. The petitioner.
Apna kaha
Praise for it.
Petitioner.
Petitioner, man.
Okay. Yes, kaun
The petitioner prays for a direction to the opposite parties for disbursement of a LIC death benefit of late Vibhuti Bhushan Pradhan. He the son of.
Apna kiye?
Father and mother.
Apna kiye?
ଆମେ ହଉଛି father and mother deceased ର
ମାନେ ଆପଣ son death ହେଇଛି
ମରିଯାଇଛି
ନୋମିନି କିଏ ଥିଲା
ନୋମିନି ଥିଲା son ର wife
son ର wife ନେଇକି ରହିବ
It has been paid. It was paid on 16/9/2020.
he is only one son
sir only one wife ଯେ ସେଟା କିଏ ଦେଖିବ ଖାଲି only one son ତାର wife ଟାକୁ କିଛି ପାଇବନି
ତାପରେ ସେ ରହୁ ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ରହନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ରଖିବେ କି ତାକୁ
ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଆଉ କିଏ ତାଙ୍କର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ସେ ଚଳିବେ କେମିତି ବୁଢାବୁଢୀ 2 ଜଣ
ବୁଢାବୁଢୀ 2 ଜଣ ଚଳିବେ ଯେମିତି
ଚଳିବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେଟା କଣ କେତେ ପଇସା ଥିଲା କି କେତେ ପଇସା
ଡେଥ୍ ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
କେତେ ସାର୍
4 ଲକ୍ଷ
4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ତାର ଲାଇଫ ସାରା ଚଳିଥାନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ନାଇଁ ତାର ଜମି ବାଡି ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ସବୁ ଅଛି ସିଏ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ରହନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ସବୁ ଅଛି ବାପା ମା ଅଛନ୍ତି
କଣ କହିଦେଲେ
କଣ କରିବେ ଏ ଭାଇ
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି ଏତେ ଧନ୍ଦା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସୁଟ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଏତେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ହଁ କାହାକୁ ୱାଇଫକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ପାଟିବନ ତାକୁ ପାଟିବନ ମୋ ପଇସା ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେବନି ସାର୍ ନମିନେସନ କଥା ନୁହେଁ
Section 39.
nobody is disputing as a nominee generally of course the wife achi wife to tar first class ye yaar ho but as a nominee but parents are also there
They have to these people have to file a suit for particular amount.
There is no
because
ଆପଣ ସର ଦେଇ ସାରିଲେ ନା କଣ କରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦେଇ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେଇ ନ ସାରିଥିଲେ କଣ କହିଥାନ୍ତି
ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ନୋଟିସ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିକି ମତେ ଦେଇଦେଇ
ସାର୍ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ଏବେ କଣ କରିବା ଯିବ ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ହଟବ ଏବେ ତ କିଛି କରିବନି ଆଉ କୋଉଠୁ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଫେରେଇବେ କି
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଜାଣିକି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛୁ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ବାହାରେ ଥାଏ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଲଗା କିଏ ନମିନି ଥିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ବଟ୍ ୱାଇଫ ଆଉ କେମିତି ଆଉ କଣ ଦେଖିବ ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଦେଇଦେବେ ସିଧା ହଁ ଯଦି ବାହାରର କିଏ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ସପୋଜ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ମିଳିଥାନ୍ତା କି ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ଆଉ କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିଲେସନ ଅଛି ସେ ତାକୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ଠିକ ଦେଇଛି କମ ଦେଇଛି
ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଲିଗାଲ ହେୟାର ଓନ୍ଲି
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବିନି ସରି ରାଇଟଲି ଦେ ହାଭ୍ ଗିଭେନ ରାଇଟଲି ଦେ ହାଭ୍ ଗିଭେନ କିଛି କରିବନି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଦେନ୍ ଫାଇଲ ରାଇଟ ଫାଇଲ ସୁଟ୍ ଆଉ କିଛି କରିବନି ପଇସା ହାତ ଗଲାଣି ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ଦେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି
there is no relation dispute relation ଠିକ ଅଛି ସିଏ ବି accepted
ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ଦେଇ ସାରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ୱାଇଫ ଛୁଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଅର୍ଡର ସିଂ ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ କଣ କରନ୍ତି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ ମାନେ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର
ମାନେ ଏଇ ପଇସା ଆପଣ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜିନ୍ଦା ରହିବେ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ମରିଯିବେ
ନାଇଁ ସେୟା ତ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଯେତିକି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନୁହଁ ସେ ତା ଘରେ ଆସିକି ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ତାର ଛୁଆଟା ରହିଛି
କଣ ପାଇଁ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ପଇସା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ତାଙ୍କ
ଆପଣ ଏସବୁ ଗପ ଶୁଣାନ୍ତୁ କିଛି କରିବେନି ସରି କିଛି ହବନି since the money has already been disbursed like the since the money has already been disbursed to the nominee who is the wife of the present petitioner and the 2 children are also there since the matter this at this juncture this court cannot interfere in the matter accordingly if the petitioner so advise he may file a suit for partition He may civil remedy लिख दे हाँ, she may explore civil remedy लिख दे वाला ऐसे कथन. He may explore civil remedies. Next, next.
Item 97.
97.
My lord, last date, my lord directed to government to submit the report they have in, because my lord's repeated direction, no investigation is conducted by the.
कौन जेल भितर जेल भितर
नहीं my lord, ये झीलटा मरीगला पर क्राइम ब्रांच इन्वेस्टिगेशन के मार देइछन
ओ अच्छा अच्छा से तांको झियो
हाँ बड़ा दुखर विषय पर को जाय गला कोन आ साइंटिफिक ये जाई नहीं टीम जाई नहीं कि से जो जगह रे हैंगिंग हेता सीटा भी मपा मप किछि नहीं एमती ये जाउती
सर इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम तांको वे रे करबे आपन के हिसाब रे थोड़ी करबे आपन को तो परमिशन नेकी थोड़ी करबे जोड तांको वे रे करबे ना आपन सब इंटरफेयर करले
मैं
आपन कहले मते क्राइम ब्रांच पे देली
Crime branch also found that it's a UD case, my lord. It's a case of hanging. That was earlier UD case was there. That was not done properly. That's why my lord directed because
This is the instruction of the crime branch.
No scientific team has visited the spot. Nothing was there. Only there.
दी वर्ष एते गैप हला पर साइंटिफिक टीम कोनटा पाइबो से
नहीं जो जगह दौड़ा से जगह भी अच्छी पर्यंत
जागा अछि जे सर जागा को पड़ जानता की
माय लॉर्ड
बट जिंस केमती
लास्ट ऑलरेडी एविडेंस आई जी माय लॉर्ड डायरेक्शन एज पर द ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट डायरेक्शन दी 3 जण आई थिले मरिया पूर्व आधा घंटा भितरे तांका ना सब स्टेटमेंट 161 स्टेटमेंट सब आई जी ता थिले
सर कोन करि परबी मु किछि करि परबी सर ऑलरेडी क्राइम ब्रांच कहले क्राइम ब्रांच को देली आ कोन करबी आ एनआईए डाकिबी समस्ते समस्ते हैंगिंग कहउछंती को करबी कोन सुसाइड
नहीं माने जस्ट करले
सर सुसाइड बोले लेखा रिपोर्ट से नॉर्मल पुलिस भी देला ई भी देला
नहीं माय लॉर्ड व्हाट
They have recorded so many witnesses statements.
Submitting some. My first my lord's direction, that is specifically my lord say stated directed that the petitioner filed this petition seek my lord, that is the order of 3/2/2000.
सर जहां
scientific team जाई नहीं my lord. What happened? Scientific team जाई नहीं spot को. No spot verification is made. How
I can't beyond a point I can't stretch sir. There is a limit to stretching the things. अपन एरे मानबे कि अपन तैयार न कि से माने कहउ जदी हैंगिंग से पुलिस वाला कहला हैंगिंग ये कहला हैंगिंग आ साइंटिफिक टीम 2 वर्ष पर कहला कोनटा पाइबो
जाई ना दी हैंगिंग दे
सर साइंटिफिक टीम 2 वर्ष पर जाई कोन एस्टैब्लिश करबो किंदी एस्टैब्लिश करबो कोन
my lord what is
I can't do anything. This is
that is they without my lord's
I have sympathy for you sir but what to do my hands are tight I can't go beyond a point I can't travel
no my lord's direction not complied that is
which direction not complied
first is the 3/2/2023 my lord's direction
I can't do that sorry like as per the report filed by the
Deputy Superintendent
of CAW and CW Bhubaneswar, which has written with the finding that the finding as extracted below लिख दे एटा एटू पूरा एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट कर
सर को जेरॉक्स कॉपी आनी की दे दे जेरॉक्स कॉपी आनी की दे दे
ये कर दो আমরা কাল দিয়ে দেবো
आगे
আগে টেপ করে দেবো so
I am sorry my lord what happening a repeated approach to this honorable court was there my lord
sir repeated approach honorable court कोन करियो मते कहंतु just you guide me what to do आपण मोर यार भीतर कोन करथाने कहंतु आपण रिपीटिशन रे कोर्ट कोनटा करिवे एडवाइस कोन हो क्राइम ब्रांच को दियाला अब नॉर्मल पुलिस से भरोसा नला क्राइम ब्रांच को दियाला क्राइम ब्रांच को भरोसा नले फिर का एनआई को दिबी नले पाकिस्तान पुलिस को डाकुची Sen ଭଲ business
My lord,
କଣ କରିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
my lord has already taken the evidence.
ମୁଁ କେମିତି evidence ଦେବି ନା?
Evidence ମଗେଇଛନ୍ତି.
କି କଥା?
That is on records.
ସାର୍ ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟରେ କେମିତି ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ନିଆହବ?
ନାଇଁ direction ହେଇଥିଲା
କିଛି
earlier.
nothing.
ନାଇଁ,
I
that
can't do
was
it. Sorry.
earlier direction, my lord.
I have full sympathy with it, but I can't help. I have no
Already
there
one
is
sheet to understand.
limitation to everything. You can't just harp on the same thing again and again. I can't do anything. So scientific team ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି
What ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି? They are saying
କି ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ଆପଣ ସତ କି ସେମାନେ ସତ ମୁଁ କେମିତି
ଲୋକ ନିଜେ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ନା ଲୟର ଜଣେ ସେ ଅଛି କେହି ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଘରକୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଯାଇକି ଦି ଧାଡି ଲେଖି ପଠେଇଦେଲେ I am sorry for such a investigation. We are believing.
Your Lordship, kindly see the statement recorded by the crime. So many persons.
ଆଉ କିଛି କରିବନି ସରି କିଛି କରିବନି
এটা dispose of case ছিল।
petitioner submits that the scientific team has not visited the spot and they have casually completed the prepared the report concluding the fact that the petitioner died by committing suicide. Sir. However, this court is of the view that being a read court, this court has also limitation to seek for further investigation and further investigation, which earlier it was done by the state police. Then it was sent to the crime branch. And again, the petitioner is not happy with the investigation. This court has a limitation and cannot traverse beyond a point. Accordingly, this court. Next.
98.
98.
98, my lords may kindly see order dated 19/12/2023. Last chance was given to Union of India to file counter.
Sorry?
My lord, Mr. Ponda is not appearing in consecutive
And your
dates.
Lordship has also directed if the counter will not be filed, a cost of 1,000 rupees will be imposed. If I am not wrong.
Who is to file the counter?
Union
Union
of
of
India, my
India.
lord, OP1.
Okay. Despite the order passed by this court to file the counter, the Council for the Union of India has not filed the counter yet. Hence, even the order dated video order dated 21/11/2023, the Union of India was given last chance to file the counter affidavit. Yet the petitioner, the Union of India has not non-appear on the next date of listing, that is on 19/12/2023. Hence, this court is of the view that Union of India is not interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, the matter shall be heard ex parte on the next date of hearing. Monday.
May I suggest one thing?
Yes.
If your Lordship will direct me, then I will inform the DSGA to appear before your Lordship on the text.
I'll ask the state to intimate the Council for the Union of India.
Your Lordship may specific direct the Deputy Solicitor.
To the Deputy Solicitor General, to deputy lawyer, deputy penal advocate to appear in the matter. Since the earlier penal advocate whose name appears in the cause list doesn't appear sincerely in the matter, hence he is requested to depute some other advocate who shall sincerely conduct the matter. Accordingly, this is the matter on 9th. Next.
99.
99. 99.
99, my lord, in last, okay.
Yeah, for
I'm for the petitioner.
petitioner. Yes, what is the issue?
Lord, I am for the bank, my lord. A lordship directed to take instruction regarding this matter. This account has already hold on the letter, based on the letter of the IIC Jambu. My lord.
What is the issue, madam?
My lord, I'm holding a savings bank account in this particular branch. And I was a minor when the account was opened. And I have lost the passbook. On approaching the bank had directed.
The passport.
Passbook.
A passbook.
Yes, ma'am. On approaching the bank, they directed me that you give us a affidavit, a comprehensive affidavit you file, and like you give us an affidavit, to which we have also furnished an affidavit. In spite of that, we have approached the bank several times and also
Just to defreeze the account.
so that I can withdraw my money which is
That's
there.
defreezing the
Yes, ma'am.
account.
I don't have whether it's freezed or not.
You don't have idea.
Yes, madam. I don't have any idea, but
बढ़िया अक्षर लिखी से लोगड़ा बाकी गैप देवा भूली कौन गर्ल वाज किडनैप्ड समथिंग लिखा है आपण को केस अछि कि कोई क्राइम अछि आपण का अगेंस्ट किसी क्रिमिनल केस अछि
I don't have any instruction. I take instruction.
State will take instruction.
किसी क्रिमिनल केस अछि
State को पार्टी भी करना है state को करना है
you take instruction
Yes, ma'am.
they are saying there's one criminal case against you काको किडनैप करथले को जियो फेबू
Ma'am, my lord, I am a girl. I am a lady, like I am a girl.
No. That petitioner is kidnapped, my lord.
Petitioner was
kidnapped on 20.
Oh, yeah. अच्छा अच्छा
petitioner was kidnapped. बड़ी होनी है बहुत कष्ट में बुझिया गला
May I read?
State council
With reference to the,
kidnap होला ता अकाउंट के क्लोज करिवे
my lord, with reference to the case and subject cited above, I have the honor to the point that the account holder, namely Sabita Giri, was kidnapped on date 19 September 2020, and on this the above noted case was registered and investigated into by the tapra podium. The minor gone as gone.
अरे तार अकाउंट से निजे मु हो से किडनैप को और किने से
I am the account.
you open it open
I am Sabita Giri.
लड़का से बैंक is directed to take instruction and ensure that the account is opened at the earliest possible preferably within a period of 15 days from today. Defreeze करंदो. Okay, to defreeze the account. So in order to enable the petitioner to transact, okay, एकड़ी dispose of. कौन है इसमें? Next.
Obliged.
Item 100.
Ensure the smooth transaction. In order to ensure smooth transaction by the petitioner. What is your name? Huh?
Gayatri Das.
Gayatri Das. Next.
My lord, in item 100, I'm on the opposite party. There is some instruction from the client.
None is there? None appears for the, you are for the,
No,
you are for the petitioner?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कहते हो? What do you want to say? कुछ तो बोलो.
My lord.
कुछ तो बोलो. You want to say something?
मैं allow
चोर को. हाँ?
allow कर दो.
क्या? You want to say something?
मैं entry mode continue. Entry mode continue.
खाली इंटरव्यू मोड काउंटर गुडे लाइन देजा कुछ दिन पड़े. केस टा कौन के जानचो?
allow.
हाँ? allow बार किसी ना कोई allow. तम केस टा तो कौन को आगो? allow कौन? हाई उतना फाइल कहीं तो? फाइल कहीं? କିଏ ତମ ସିନିୟର?
प्रभास जेना
ହଁ
प्रभास जेना माइल
ପ୍ରଭାତ
प्रभास जेना
ଜେନା ସେ ତମ ସିନିୟର କହିନାହାନ୍ତି ଫାଇଲ ପଢିବୁ ବୋଲି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି? ବିନା ଫାଇଲ ପଢିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବୁ? ନନ୍ APS for the petition. What is your name?
राधेश्याम पत्री आर
हाँ?
पत्री आर पत्री
ଆପଣଙ୍କ R ପତ୍ରୀ R ପତ୍ରୀ 1 week time to prepare the matter. Okay, that's the matter. 11th ହେଲା 11th ଆସୁ କହିଦେବ ଆଉ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ ମିଳିବନି ହେଲା। ହେଇଗଲା?
Item 92 and another court must kindly taken up any other.
Item?
92